Kanite value addition ma no kel wa introduce artificial intelligence manyalo konyo everybody across the board mano to gima nyalo bedo embrace to kikele ni mondo jomoko koro bed ni onge kaka ginyalo sustain gionge livelihood to koro gino onge gima konyo piny emo bed onego bed ni one very careful seche mo embrace artificial technology wang'iyo cost benefit analysis everybody ma bedo affected with that introduction of AI. Koro en gima onego bed ni wang'iye matut kapok wamake amaka ni koro mane kanye kama piny dhiye ni mane monego embrace. To kawacho mogik, wasebedo ni watiyo ne jopiny, watiyo ne jotich. Tijwa bedo matek nikech every other day nitie dynamics manyien madonje manyaka wakid godo. Seche moko inyalo kawi ni in opposition ni gima biro idwa oppose. Ok ni en kamano. En ni nyaka wang'i ni maslahi man ng'ama tiyo ni okwe oko. Okwe oko. To obedo matek ne sirikal seche moko ging'iyo gi wenge maricho. Kagiwacho ni jogi gina jo maricho gi insight gitimang'o mano okwan. Wadwa ni mondo wabed gi fairness nikech kwa bedo gi jotich malong'o, human capital malong'o e piny, eka piny nyalo dongore. Koro mago gik monego wang'e to kawuono ka wadhi celebration, there is a lot of expectation ma wan godo kuom jatend piny ma en oikre aika obi omiwa speech maber manyalo kelo geno. To ka dipo ni ok omiwa speech manyalo kelo geno, it will be a great disappointment en jotich ma Kenya.
Erokamano ahinya. Atieko gi kanyo mana paro mapiyo kata oyo kisero kata okisir board mar koto oyango ni Atuli dhi defend kome mar SG e yiero manyien. En kinde mare manyien nego donje.
Yiero ka kata wan be ang'eni kata wadwa higa mabiro union te dhi e yiero. Onge union ma ok dhi e yiero. Ma kata an be an adhi defend komba kata kianada ji dhi dwero te. Koro papo yaw be onge ng'ama olor ni ok onego defend kata Atuli no kadwa defend o defend to kadipo ni nitie ng'ama neno ni onyalo kawo kara Atuli en bo ochunga gi piem papo yaw ne ng'ata madwaro mondo wayud jotelo malong'o manyalo telo ne jotich.
Miskel inene machal nade wach yiero no higa manyien kanyo dhi chopo eno nyatimore kata kaliba manyien pok ochako.
No, wacho ni a politician, your union one politicians without ambition is like a woman without beauty. Nyaka gi ambition ko ka jatendwa Papa Atuli ola dogo chwede gimoro ochung to America ka gi tocha mo madaping jaduong doga wacho ni oyaw ne jite we amose tamne otame ng'ato gi timre wabeni ka union bende mbele kae wadhibedo gi yiero abe amna gi milumba moro kamoro okatamo ng'ato lakini gini ng'amubede kaunto golo tek.
Nyakoro mo jwang in kama intiere kanyo tilueyo machal nade kamoro moro ma intiere awacho ni ka mana yueyo masani mondo mi wenda thuolan ka kod jalup jagoro maduong' mano mar KMPDU Dr. Dennis Miskela. Erokamano nyakubedo kodwa e thuoloni ka owe mondo mi riwri kod jowete mantiere alap Uhuru Gardens kaachiel koda ka Hesbon Otieno ma en bende jalup jagoro maduong' mano mar riwruok ma jopuonj mar NAT ma bende yani kodwa okinyi makawuono. Agone erokamano ahinya kuom bedo kodwa kendo wabobedo pori mondo morangi tok twak odiochieng' makawuono singo medhi chiw ne riwruoge mopogore opogore mag jotije ni kanyo to gichung' e yo machal nade. Nyakoro moge jwang' sani wakawo yueyo ni kaduogo ka kod Lydia Okeyo kod welo duto mantiere Uhuru Gardens mana bang' yueyo makawo sani. Koro kik idhi mabor, kete mana ka.
Kushirikiana kazini ni kujenga Kenya.
People come to me and they say they get discomfort when they have ice cream. Can you imagine that? Avoiding having cold ice cream. Sensodyne gives you long-lasting protections against sensitivity. And people come in and they're like, oh, it works. I can have ice cream and I'm not in any discomfort. I recommend Sensodyne because it works. It's brilliant.
The moment you've all been waiting for.
Welcome to a world of endless kids entertainment on Viusasa.
We'll arrange a new secret meeting. Now I understand everything.
Pretty awesome, right?
That is so cool, man.
And it's lots of fun.
This This is the ultimate destination for your kids' learning, fun, and enjoyment.
The greatest meal ever is ready for oven time.
That's right. Let your kids enjoy unlimited entertainment only on viewsasa.com.
Your Asian adventure awaits na View Travel. Ready to explore? Dive into the vibrant energy of Thailand, stroll through Singapore's dazzling streets, or unwind on Bali's pristine beaches. Discover the rich cultures of Malaysia and Vietnam, the serene beauty of Laos and Cambodia, or the innovation and tradition of Japan and China. Whether for leisure, learning, or business, unforgettable experiences await. Tembelea Asia na View Travel. Visit viewtravel.com, call or WhatsApp 0703 254 254. View Travel. Dream, explore, discover.
Mar Yesu teko kumuno mar Kristo bonyeza sita 860 sita 416 hash to parneya ramogiti ene od jower duto te
Chenro mag Kenya osechan.
Mari bendo osechan. Congratulations.
Congratulations to you too. Manat.
Radio Ramogi, Cartoon Jaluo. Radio Ramogi.
You wanna feel the vibe?
Ngeso ka ngeso, wakelo ni gik mamit makelo mor. Rogo mar nyithindo kae, wakelo ni talanta. Loso gi lwedo, wapuonji tedo be. Gi moko mamit. Rogo mar nyithindo, ngeso saa 3 mar okinyi, mana e Ramogi TV.
Chuny boma ma Nairobi, machiegni gi Naromoro.
Kokale gode koda ore kendo mol e gwenge duto ma pachoka.
Okinyi kokinyi, wayango ni kaka piny oru.
Ma en rupe.
Kama wami nonro to kod chal mar fwambo.
Wa encourage conversation.
Wamenyo ni weche mamako ngimani.
Job restructuring kata state restructuring ok promise ni kiwitu tich ka, tediro tich ka.
Kendo in gi duola embaka oromo. Watudre gi reporter marwa ka en
Homa Bay,
Mombasa,
Kisumu,
Migori,
Kisii.
Wabedo gi twak kachiel koda ka jolony weche mopogore opogore.
No, wamiyo parliament a lot of authority. To authority no, gitiyogo mana mondo konygi.
Tudri gi Joyce Oduor, Sharon Ong'ao kod Cleophas Oluoch e chenro mar Rupiny kod Mbaka Oromo. Wuok tich nyaka tich abich, chakre saa 12 okinyi nyaka saa 5 onyango e Ramogi TV.
Be isei korine miel?
To bendi sei korine thumbe mamit manyien manyasani?
Wakelo wakelo ni mixes manit kabisa kod miel manyasani.
And of course, ngeso kangeso nyakunga jong sakrista mwena nyaka sauchieza.
Cheki melanin top imeweza.
And of course,
Hilo bwana. Chenro en Thundakma. Wewe, twende. Leo tunakunja kitanda.
Ngeso ka ngeso sa 11 mamidhiambo.
Mbamba toko koma ye
tudri koda ngeso ka ngeso sa 11 mamidhiambo e chenro mar tiedero oka kama wabro budho manyanga kowa kelo ni ngolo motimo cathedral. See you there.
Tiedero. Ngeso ka ngeso sa 11 mamidhiambo. Manera Movie TV. Bed kodwa e wuodhni ka wanono kit timbe mag anyuolawa.
Oyundi no neni en winyo mayot. Sama no dhi chiemo, ong'ama ok ohero tich matek. Koro nyako ringi kodhi chiemo. Ema nomiyo chake kamano.
Gin kido mamiyo wabedo kaka joluo, sigendni mopogore opogore mag dhoudi mag luo.
Chiro ma kiti pando chira. Gini dwa chako ndeti mos. Okelo ni ahonda. Dil majony.
Luweche mag luo mopogore opogore. Moro ka moro kuomgi nigi ranyisi mopogore opogore.
Wuon magolo ng'ani ka wuongi watero wadhi gone dala. Koro telo gi le to gi gweno.
111 Lu chenro ni ngeso ka ngeso sa 1:45 otieno e Ramogi TV.
Machigni nyakoromonga jwange chenro mar ngoma owake. Wuok tich akelo ni mix bokwe. Kaito kichario. Reggae owake, yani tunaongea na majar Rastafara. Alafu ticha dek nyakoromonga jwange akelo ni mana yani ngeni baka kiwasani. Ticha ngwene is kama nene, yani kitambo zama za kale. Alafu Friday, si unajua tu Friday tunafanya namna hii, nyakona magojo Friday ni supuzo wake. Sapara kidaka paga beach nyaka sapaga Rio kod an PDG Papa Vic, yani ukipenda mzee kijana.
Okinyal wei ma okinyiero.
DJ Comeback Selector.
Tunapiga.
Idwa dhao dongi.
Idwa gori. Adwa timo ni maandamano maduong' e Kibong'eni ano.
Mama indika polisi timango.
Ka yeng tachana.
Ibiro tenda kama ni chaya donge.
Dhano otamo Nyasaye.
Okaja duong ba. Jensa. Macha wich kut mani kelo nwa.
Ibiro timo what?
Kijoki. Waduong ne polisi.
Yes, Yuri. Stop it.
Nyarko chia. Ticha beach ka ticha beach sa 1:50 otieno. Manera Movie TV.
Ushirikiana kazini ni kujenga Kenya.
Nyakoromoge jwang' nyasi mar leba dhi nyime kendo jopiny osechopo mano karomgi ka gintiere lap mano ma Uhuru Gardens akoni kar kani welo man go ka gisewuok ng'wech kendo gida chopo kacha ka jatend piny Kenya pok ochopo. Koch nok ber chopo tok jatelo, koro gida chopo kacha mondo migriore kod jowetegi kama gintiere. To kono ni kama gichope kono be wantiere kod jafwambo wadwa Lydia Okeo mabende ogota chare ukinyi maka wuono ka entiere Uhuru Gardens. Ora no tutre kod ane ukinyi maka wuono koro ne chal mar wach to en man nyaka sani anwa los dakika mogik mano e tielo mokwongo mar chenro ni mar kelo ni achiel kachiel nyasi mar leba mar mondo mi okono nyaka sani gisechopo kama chal nade. Lydia Okeo machini kendo chenro en ma sani losane kod jopiny kachiel koda ka jopiny mantiere kar kanyo mondo mi watwag wawinja ne nyaka sani ni chal mar wach to en mane. Jopiny ose donjo kanyo Lydia kendo inyalo konwa manyien ma osetimore are ne walosi seche mokalo arwakni machiegni mondo miwane ler kama intiere kar kanyachiel kachiel.
Erokamano Cleophas Oluoch achiel kachiel kantiere Uhuru Gardens. Erokamano ahinya kuom tudruok kodwa kendo pod wantiere Uhuru Gardens kama bende iyange nyasi ni mar Labour Day. En Labour Day mar 60 bende bage kae ka bende poirito mondo jatend piny Kenya William Ruto chop kae yo makare matol ne jo Kenya e nyasi ma kamae. To nikech sa ntiere wendo madwa na wuogo kae, mano en jatelo mar KMPDU Dr. David Atela. Wanisano kala kristo bedo ka ng'anyo e pacho kae. Wawinje ni to nyaka sechegi gin geno mane magintiere godo.
Oyawre acho vere Labour Day kai kuono. Yeah?
Musa nyikwara mu.
Jikoro mengo muso ni oyawre guru kuono ko ne chieng mar Labour Day, chieng ma jotich osegore ne igni mang'eny piny mangima. Koro wakawuono ka wan ka wageno ni ker ko biro ka wach mar osara mar jotich minimum wages nyaka ng'i ni mar osebedo igni mang'eny mondo ma omedi. To ma e chieng ma jotich te ng'iyo piny ka ni tich lweti skills ma in go be gimi idak ngima maber. Koso bed ni jomatiyo negi kata ka en jo sirikal kata ka en jo private gin gi exploiti. Warajo ka unions ni tekowa en riwruok kanyakla. Tekowa en riwruok kanyakla emiyo private sector emiyo government ok nyal lokowa misumbni. Koro mano e wach ma celebrate kodo ka Labour Day kawuono.
Dr. David Josane no ka lakteche ng'anyo, en ng'anyo mochwere. Geno mane ma udugo kawuono, pogruok mane mugeto?
Igen waseng'anyo, mokalo ng'anyo ndalo 60. Bang' kanyo sirikal no release nwa siling bilion 7 mar gopo mane gin go. To machielo ne giduoko osara mar interns piny mane giloso koro. Koro higa ni ineno ka gichako wach mar ni giduoko osara piny mar intern, giduoko osara piny kendo. Nwakwero gin wasemo gini ka gitemo to ng'anyo mabo timore. Nikech ng'ini ng'anyo no kende e yo ma sirikal winjo. Samo king'anyo ok ginya bedo kodi piny giwuoyo kodi. Samo king'anyo ging'iya simbiok maki gi winjruok ok bedi. To king'iyo thothne en ni daktari dhi hospital tiyo. To ka in daktari to ok chuli mshahara ka counties ok chulni. Ka in daktari to ok bed gi promotion. Ka in daktari gigi ok timre kata jatich moro amora. Chuni ni teko ma en go achiel mar constitution mar ng'anyo no. Ema nyaka ilu. Omiyo wasudo kwa ng'anyo mondo sirikal owinj wach mondo jopiny be kodhi hospital oyud thieth. Sa en ng'anyo mondo daktari ondiki. Koro kondik daktari ok thiedhre hospital, githiedho jopiny. Mane umiyo wasibiru kwa ng'anyo mondo yedhe obed hospital mondo hospital jobid thieth. Jik be ni sate kate nyaki us land ka in go, nyaki us gik moko ka in go mondo giyud thieth. Mane wasipati.
Kinde mokadho waseneno kubago romo gi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto. Usebago romo gi jatend piny Kenya e State House. Musedhi mubedo piny muwuoyo mageno usebedo ni udhi yudo duoko makare. Ang'o osebedo katimore Dachi?
Igel bang' romo kod higa mokalo nonyis kowa ni gopewa mana gin go mar higni 7 gibochulo higni 2 higa mar dwe mar 12 gi dwe mar 5 ni. Koro mar dwe mar 12 gi dwe machielo ochul bang' dwe mar 5 mano gima nowinjore kode. Kaso kendo gima ne ok wawinjre mane pod wayware en wach mar intern doctors mane gidwa duoko piny. Mano wakwer ni mano ok wanyal yie kata ka ang'o timore. Kata ka pole mamor mano gima ok wanyal yie ni timore.
Kamana ahinya mano kanyo en tend KMPDU kata jagoro mar KMPDU riwruok mar lakteche. Waseneno ka lakteche osebedo ka ng'anyo e pacho ka Cleophas kendo en ng'anyo mosiko pile ka pile. Ka bende geno margi en winjruok mane giketo mar mondo mi ndik lakteche mago mag interns e tich kendo bende mede osara lakteche matie pacho kae. Geno margi en ni dwaro makamagi ibro chop kare kaluwore gi ote ma bende geno jatend piny Kenya William Ruto dhi bedo go e alap ma Uhuru Gardens. Bende antiere kod jotije mamoko, antiere gi kambi mar EPZ ma bende onyiswa nyinge ni to ang'o mokele ka odiochieng' makawuono machiegni.
Erokamano Lydia Okeyo, an gi nyinga iluonga ni Tony Okechgor, ajaw Mabei County, Ayandhiwa. Mokwongo da kaw thuolo ni makende mar timo mos ne Kasipul Kabondo kuom tho mar mbunge margi mano yudo accident ko bedo ni ogoye gi bunde. Koro an atiyo gi jo EPZ, it is a export and processing zone. An kanyo kaka maintenance manager. Gimatimo en electrical engineering, one is my profession. Koro an machung' ne weche mag keyo stima e kambino, gimoro amora control mag machines an machung' negi. Koro gima daher kwayo e Labour Day ni kawuono mosebedo ka inyowa kaka jotich en wach mar minimum wage mana kaka jaleba wadwa osewacho miluongo ni Adela. Minimum wage ijo joma yudo ka yudo 50,000 kadhi mbele. Kwach ni minimum wage joma pesa gitin ke mamedore, lakini joma ni mbele ka to hinyore kabisa. Koro adwaro ni sani kopo ni president katimonwa gimoro to kede gino general ma oket wage moro ma medo ne ji te pesa. Kech yudo ka ichuli pesa moro to obet kanyo for last 5 years, onge gimi yudo to ochumi to tax to pod bedo mana, ing'ado mana pile pile. Koro akwayo ne jotich te hawi maber mar Labor Day, mondo Nyasach kwe oritwa ndalo duto ma wantiere ka.
Geno mane ma intiere go e sirikal, kaluwore ni intiere singo mane ochiw mabede nyaka sani pok ochopo kare?
Sirikal ma wan go ni waneno nyaka nyocha donje gimiluongo ni broad based government, at least sani otiyo. Koro wanyalo miye mana time, ka poni with time wanyalo change, then all will be well.
Ere pachi ewi oganda pod yuago nok mar tije, giwacho ni nyaka ne gigen ndikruok mag tich manosing gi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto nyaka sani pok ochopo kare.
Gima duoko nok mar tich piny kaka wan kembe mang'eny moko oseloro osedhi Tanzania. Gimomiyo gidhi nikech tax ni malo. Koro ka wanyalo mana advise president and government as a whole, reduce taxes mondo more employers obi, then ka more employers obiro ji mang'eny dhi yudo tich.
Mano ka kembe mang'eny ne golo oganda e tije kendo samoro yudo kiriembo ji tich. EPZ usebedo nade nyaka ne atend Kenya Kwanza chak tich? Nitie joma oseriembe tich koso un pod ungiroru mana kaka ne untiere chon?
Tich osedok chien mang'eny mana kaka asewacho. Gimomiyo tich dok chien, yudo ka osuru ni malo. Koro ka osuru ni malo to yudo ka employers maintenance mar kambi tamogi. Kosetamogi to ging'iyo ni koro ang'o ma nyaka gitim. Nyaka gi reduce cost, company cost. So one of the ways of reducing company cost and to dismiss some workers. Koro company government nyalo focus on that, reduce taxes, then give more investors mondo build employment Kenya. Mano nyalo konyo.
Cleophas mano kanyo na achiel kuom jotije mag EPZ en bodo yuoro kae mondo winjie wach ma kaka dibedo twak midhichiwo gi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kaachiel gi geno opogore ma oganda ntiere gode. Winjo kowacho ni kata mana EPZ kabino ma gitiye gisebedo ka ntiere jogo ma iriembe tich kaluwore ni nyaka sani pek mar osuru kod chal mar ochumi ma pacho kae pok oyienegi bedo kod jogi tich kuom thuolo malach. Ok ginyal chulogi kendo nengo mar loso mwandu bende ntiere malo, miyo makelo pek. Koro geno margi en ni idhi mbeke lwasi mar tich kendo idhi los lwasi mar kare are kawuono kaluwore gi wachno mabende idhi wach jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kaachiel gi jogo bende otelo ne nyasi ma kamae. Ma nyasi mar 60 kaka nasenyisi ka wachako chenro ma kamae e nyasi mar 60 ma Labor Day to ntiere jokanyo mag Hotu, antiere gi moko kae Cleophas ginyiswa ni to nyasi ni gilose nang'o to geno mane mantiere. Nyiswa nyingi ni tia kanye titimang'o.
Erokamano. Nyinga en Maxwell Obiero, an awuok e kambi miluongo ni Press Master Africa. Mae kambi ma oginene onyiewo kalatese koa oko to kelo to timo printing to uso nyaka kalatese go kagin kamano. Ni kembni matimo printing mopogore opogore. Koro gie sani to abiro ka an jotich noyiera ni mondo achung'negi kaka jatich margi matete an gi korka wach mar musara, nikech musara osebedo kan piny, iyudo ka utiyo matek to ichulo pesa matin. Koro ne giyiera mondo abed kaka mtetezi margi mondo bed ni nyalo chulgi maber kaluwore kod tich maber magitiyo.
Nyaka sani kata kamano usebedo ka uchwalo agenda mage mar mondo mione ni ote mano migi jotich ochopo kare?
Nyaka sani agenda ma wasebedo ka wachwalo maduong' saidi moloyo en mondo giyud musara maber, ae mar ariyo mondo kama gitiye obed kod gimoluongo ni environment maber, nikech nitie kuonde moko ma jotich tiye tineno ka ok odew wachgi. Koro mago agendas ma wasebedo ka wachwalo maneno ka wasego okang' nyaka kawuono.
Nyaka ne yieri mondo mi ibed wang' jotije e riwruogno mar Kotu, ere ber musekelo kaka in kaka jatelo mane giyiero mondo mi odhi obed wang' gi kono mondo mi olose lwasi mar tich obed makare? Ere kinyalo kwano ber moko ma isetimo misekelo negi nyaka sani?
An nyaka sani nyaka ne giyiera kaka jatendgi, aneno ka okang' maduong' mwasegoyo en nikech giseye msara mapiny mane gichamo 17,000 to aneno ka sani gisenyono nyaka 18,000 kanyo. Mar ariyo jatendwa ne jatelo margi ne ochayogi, lakini sani aneno kosemigi luor kendo aneno kata kodonjo to ong'en magi jotich matiyo ne mamiye ohala. Omiyo ne okang' no aneno ka wasegoyo maber kendo gimorgo.
Roma kamagi uloso nyadidi e higa mar neno ni ubero lwasi mar jotich?
Kendo
Tielo romo bedo godo kaka un jotelo mag kotu mar neno ni uloso lwasi mag tije bedo makare kendo ukete tim dwaro ma jotije ntiere godo. Romo gi ubedo go to bedo gi ng'agi ni bede jatend piny bede koso bu bedo mana gi jokotu kende koso nsi jotend piny wacho bede uchokoru godo.
Kamano wapange kama ei kotu wegi nitie jomwa luongo ni secretaries. To secretaries go gine mwaromo kodgi dwe ka dwe. To kumwaromo kodgi ka dwe en ofisgi maka kotu. Koro gimwa hinyo timo, wakawo grievances mag jotich kaka gidwaro, ae wadhi to watwak kodgi e romo mwaromo dwe ka dwe no. Koro romo mwaseromo dwe ka dwe to waromo kod jatelo maduong' ma en Francis Atwoli. Wanyalo romo kode dichiel kata bang' dweche auchiel. To kwaseromo kode to wamiye twago to twago otero ker.
Nyaka sani wageto jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo chop kae hoteli e nyasi ni mar Labour Day kawuono en odiochieng' mabende koro wahingo kendo wang'iyo okenge mosego e sekta mag jotije. En geno mane ma intiere godo kotenre kod twak midhichiwo gi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kawuono?
Erokamano kuom penjono. Now nyasi mwan go kawuono ni en mar piny mangima. To koro kwaduogo e Kenya ka to wang'iyo kaka jotich osebedo ka chandre mopogore kod jotich to wayudo ka jatich achiel no yudo ka samoro mama gi kata baba gi tiyo to oyudo ka gimoyudo tin omiyo ok ginyalo yudo gima gichamo kata ok ginyalo yudo kaka gikonyre e ot. We wakaw ranyisi, higa mokalo ker ne owacho ni mondo muajiri odhi owinjre kod jatich bende ok ochiwo percentage moro amora. To bang'e kane oyiero ng'anene Alfred Mutua, Alfred nodhi bo chuno bende omedwa 6%. Koro 6% no nyose medwa maneno ka nitie joma ntiere kode. Koro geno man go sani ni kata tin machal nadi to nyaka an omedwa 7% nikech ngima nitiere piny ma dhano ok nyal.
Erokamano ahinya kelo tie nyawadgi moro kae bende moso mana matin dakika ariyo kende nyingi ng'awa ya kanye timango.
By the way, I don't have a situation to look at, but mimi ni Mluya. Mimi naitwa Eliud Sifuna. Ninashukuru sana Inoro FM kuiona siku ya leo. Nimefurahia sana. Wasalimia wote.
Kuna mahitaji gani kulingana na sherehe ya leo ya Labour?
Ya leo, ile mahitaji ambayo tunataja leo, rais angalia watu na mzee wetu Atwoli, pia angalia wananchi vile wanakaa. Tena mwaka zetu tunafanya, pia waangalie kwa sababu kuna vitu zingine wanafanya lakini hazikufikii. Wakati zinafika huko zinanyamasiwa. Kama ukiona kitu kingine kama wameongezea pesa hapa, hakuna kitu imeongezwa last year. Kuna kitu walikuwa wamepea. Lakini most of the companies wajapeana watu.
Mpaka sasa kuna zile tunaita promises agano ambao walipeana na Rais William Ruto alipoingia mamlakani. Mpaka kwa sasa tunaona kwamba bado watu hawana kazi jinsi ya alivyotuahidi. Maoni yako ni yapi?
Maoni yangu yanasema ile kitu ambayo serikali yetu inatupea, tena hii maoni ambayo unapatia watu kila siku, promises, most of them promises, house whatever, hizo vitu angalia wa Kenya saa hii. Most of people are just suffering. Hawana kazi, wengine hawana kazi. So chenye tunaomba rais azingatie hiyo kitu na waangalie wananchi vile wanakaa.
Asante sana. Cleophas Oluoch nyisakanye tanipinga William Ruto donjo Uhuru Gardens ye namonda ngade gikanyo ma nyinga Lydia Okeyo.
Agoni erokamano ahinya Lydia Okeyo. Pishi maneno kanyo kora mojwang' pishi mag jo Kenya ma ochopo kanyo gi jotelo mamoko ma yuoro e nyasi mano mara Labour odiochieng' ni ma kawuono nyakora mojwang' kaigeno ni saa mora sama lose ka picha maneno kar kanyo jatend kotu kosedonjo wadhi bedo kanyo gi thuolo mag neno jotelo mamoko ma bende bedo kaka yuoro jalup jatend piny Kenya ponono kodhi chopo achiel kachiel mano Kithure Kindiki kachiel kodaka jotelo mamoko bende ma oseyuoro kar kae nyakora mogijwang' mano picha mayudo achiel kachiel kawuoka Uhuru Gardens nyakora mogijwang' jatend piny Kenya William Ruto bende igeno ne dhi chopo kar kae achiel kachiel okinyi ma kawuono ma bende ikono ni en ndara kendo koro kochiegni chopo kanyo dhi do thuolo mano mara thuolo mar mondo mi ne tipo kachiel kachiel sa osoromo saa 4 okinyi ma kawuono. Agoni erokamano ahinya kendo agone nyakwara mogijwang' erokamano ahinya mano kama gintiere mano kama gibedo kae ka girango achiel kachiel picha rona nyakora mogijwang' mantiere kar kanyo jotend migepe mano Musalia Mudavadi ma bende chopo kar kanyo rwake kod jatend migao mochung' ne jotije kendo rito ngima oganda kod jotich rwake kanyo kod jagoro mano mar kotu Mano katibu Francis Atwoli kod jotelo mago mag kotu kama gintiere kanyo kora Mogejwang. Musalem Devade osedonjo kar kanyo. En geno mara ni ponono kinde mora mora kama wantiere mago tipo mabiro ni achiel kachiel ka gintiere Uhuru Gardens, kendo kinde mabiro kar ka en koro ranyisi makende ni jatend piny Kenya ema koro chiegni donjo ka. To kodonjo ni wadhi tere achiel kachiel mondo wawinjane gik matimore Uhuru Gardens achiel kachiel okinyi ni makawuono. Wabed kod ng'eyo ni nyasi makama to biro ni eyo machal nade okinyi makawuono. Gigo ma Lydia olose kachiel koda kawelo mano muting'o bero lwasi mag tije kinde ma osuru bende wacho ni ka osuru ni malo ganda jo Kenya mamoko diponi ntiere yodhie tich kod nyasi mamoko bende mopogore ta ahinya idarange ni otime eyo machal nade. Jotich mathoth osebedo ka ywak nyakora Mogejwang kotenore kod weche mago mag lwasi mag tich, tije migolo pinje maoko, tiyo kod lony manyasani kod mbui kachiel koda ka mago motenore kod bero ngima jatich mano mantiere e sirkal kod jogo bende maonge sirkal nyakora Mogejwang kama gintiere kanyo ka gibedo kanyo ka giriwore kendo ka warango gi okinyi makawuono ne wadhi bedo kae ka wayudo ywe machalade. Mago tipo kod banners nyakora Mogejwang mayudo mawuok e alap ma Uhuru Gardens ka ino tipo man kanyo en mar Labor Day. Odiochieng' makawuono en mar neno dieri nyasi ni kidhialo tidhiale yo machal nade gi jomage to kama gintiere okinyi ni mano tipo mawuok oko mar Uhuru Gardens mano kama gintiere kendo gimedo luwe kanya achiel kachiel nyakora Mogejwang. Oganda gi kama gintiere nyakora Mogejwang gidonjo kendo en ikruok makende mosechopo okang' mamalo saa 4 mano sama wantiere ni igeno ni jatend piny Kenya William Ruto dhi bedo kamolo kendo chopo e alap ma Uhuru Gardens kaeto bang'e kae nyasi ni dhi bedo ka chakore ayanga. Mae kama dhi bedo koloso kod jotich ma piny Kenya ma en bende kama intiere wacho ni en jatich namba 1 mano ma pacho kae weche mag osara lwasi mag tije bero ngima jotich e kin mamoko mantiere kar kae. Penjo mathoth ma bende pod imedo penjo odiochieng' ni makawuono nyakora Mogejwang mano motenore kod ngima mano mag jotich. Nitie jotije e lemo mopogore opogore ni ere kaka inyalo med gi ngas kata lemo mopogore opogore. Nitiere mamoko bende mantiere kama wacho ni nok mag jotich e sectors mopogore opogore mano ywak mosebedo ka ntiere kachiel koda ka mago momakre kod jopuonj mano achiedh nade motenore kod keto e timeline manyien mar CBC nok mag jopuonj bende e kin mamoko. Jopuonj lakteche bende osebedo ka ywak e kinde mokalo e thuolo mar higa achiel arene tim Labor Day mokalo ni osuptende mopogore opogore gin understaffed kata gin gi lakteche kata jotich manok. Ere kaka inyalo bergi thuolo machalo kamagi? Nitiere osara mapok ochul, ere kaka inyalo chulgi? Nitiere nok mag weche mitiyo godo e chenro mag thieth mopogore opogore nyakora Mogejwang irango gi yo machal nade mondo nene adieri gigo chopo duto bende yo makare. Kamachielo bende gigo ma igeno idhi rango odiochieng' ni makawuono kod mathoth bende mosebed ka itimo e kinde mokalo. Nitie weche gi mag loso chike kata labor laws nyakora Mogejwang ma bende penjo sani bende giromo mago mag rito ratiro mag jotich e piny Kenya e sectors mopogore opogore. Temo kata dhiro dwaro makamae tainya omenda matin mogik monego bed ni chulo jatich mora mora kata mondiki ngas mane iwacho ni minimum wage ka onego bende range yo machal nade kachiel koda karatiro mag jogo momiyo rak matindo tindo kata jogo miluongo ni casual workers. Nitiere weche gi mag casual workers rights monego bed ni rango kineno ni dio chopo gi yo machal nade. Weche mamoko bende ma oganda jo Kenya rito winjo kendo mosewinjo kata ka wuok kuom welo manogo e studio karka kod kinde mokalo otenore kod nok mag tije kod loso thuolo mag tije. Nyakora Mogejwang kar kae waro ni oganda jo Kenya tenya jogo matindo mago ni rowere ma bende ka watamalo maduong' ahinya mag oganda jo Kenya osebedo ka ywak ahinya kotenore kod chal mag weche mag tije. Nyaka sani mano penjo maduong' mantiere kar ka ojende matindo kobedo ka onge tije okelo atari machal nade ne piny Kenya mangima kama gintiere. Bende ginyalo tich moro ma ginyalo bedo kata ka gitimo malong'o e kindegi ma bende gimedo luwo chenro gi kaka ginyalo bero ngimagi kendo mag jogi mogenogi. Odiochieng' ma kawuono sirkal oseketo chenro mopogore opogore kendo mago kinde mokalo noluongi ahinya kaka mago minyalo tigodo mag chako ohala matindo bugo ohala ma itimo mano moting'o omenda no mano mar Asla Fund, nitiere mar Ajira Digital, nitiere mag affordable housing ma jatend piny Kenya osebedo ka wacho ni oseke konde mopogore opogore kendo nyaka sani oganda mathoth debedi nigi tich. Mano kiny makawuono ka waloso inyalo konwa bende oko ni SMS line no yawe na 3 affordable housing man Kisumo, mantiere Homa Bay, mantiere Nairobi karka kono anene thuolo mag tije gi bende inenogi bende gin machiegni kodi arita kweto already oko mar Uhuru Gardens. Gigo ma idhi loso odiochieng' ma kawuono bende ginyalo loso thuolo mag tije ne oganda mamoko mopogore gi moko manya bedo nosebedo ka wuok kadhi e pinje maoko to kelo iwacho ni duogo mana ka gin gi wich kuot midhiero kwakogi kendo gibedo kod achiedh nade makagi kacha ka gipenjore ne gidhi oko timo ang'o adieri e kinde mane ginyalo loso mwandu kendo bero ngimagi giwegi ka gintiere pacho ka. Pek mar ngima Nyakwara Mogejwang' ino ma jotich mathoth osebedo ka ywago. Uchumi wacho ni uchumi oidho, to uchumi moidho ni bende inene kata inyalo winje, bende inyalo nene ofuku mari, bende kia wallet mari inyalo neno ni uchumi ni adieri, uchumi ni oidho. Mae pogruok mantiere kendo osuru ma ijuogo kod ngima ma bende hidho e konde mopogore opogore. Kawuono ka wayudo thuolo mar twak, picha mineno kar kanyo mamenyo ni apaya ma Lang'ata Road, mano ka iwuok tidonjo apaya mabiro achiel kachiel nyaka Uhuru Gardens. Oganda man kanyo gi mantiere udi maneno chenro ni darango adiere ni pek mar ngima kama gintie. Ahinya jogo mantiere public sector kata jogo mantiere sector mano mag sirkal, jogo mondiko kod sirkal kod migepe mopogore opogore kod bede migepe. Ywak maduong' ma gipenjo jogi moting'o jopuonj, lakteche kod apisas mamoko mane sirkal, ere kaka inyalo medgi osara machiegni kod pek mar ngima. Nyakwara Mogejwang' ma jotije medo wacho kaluwore kod sigana bende mwayudo mawuok e alap ma Uhuru Gardens odiochieng'ni ma kawuono kae oting'o jotije matie sirkal, jogo matie kembe mag ji giwegi, jogo mondik kendgi ma bende oriwore kod riwruoge mopogore opogore. Penjo maduong' mantiere ka e kinde man nengo mar ngima hidho bende nitiere thuolo moro amora minyalo yudi mar neno ni adieri ngima japiny bende oyudo long'o moro minyalo wacho ni adieri kama ntiere kar ka ngima jo Kenya nitie to pek mar ngima mantiere kar ka inyalo chopo machiegni bende kod iwacho ni nengo ma bende itiyo godo e nyiewo gik moko mopogore opogore e ngimani. Osara ma imiyi ge to rumo e weche mag nyiewo chiemo koso nengo mar chiemo bende kodok piny ubedo yo machal nade. Nyakwara Mogejwang' jotelo medo donjo alap ma Uhuru Park mano mar Uhuru Gardens okinyi ma kawuono ma medo neno kar kanyo achiel kachiel e kaunti ma Nairobi. Penjo machielo ma sirkal bende nyabedo ka irango nitiere ng'anyo mosebed ka ibago kod ji mopogore opogore mamoting'o ng'anyo mibago kod lakteche, jopuonj osebedo ka nitiere ng'anyo gik ma giywago ka en osara, omenda mabalang' kata allowances monego bed imiyogi, mano moting'o mag udi kendo mar bero ngima jatich kama gintie. Nyaka sani okenge mage ma pono wadhi neno kaka iketo mondo ne ni sirkal adieri ochopo singo ma bende gisebedo ka girango. E historia mar piny Kenya, Nyakwara Mogejwang', odiochieng'ni mar leba en odiochieng'no mar dhialo jotije mopogore opogore e lemo mopogore opogore e sectors mopogore opogore. Gik mage magisebedo ka gitimo, maino mage magisebedo ka giketo e tijgi, pek mane magikale, mano moting'o nyaka nengo mano mar ngima oselose karka kaachiel koda kama thoth mantiere. Wanoka wasonga pod ntiere kar kanyo ngima pod Nyasaye omiye kendo pod omedo mana wer. Nyakwara Mogejwang' e thuolo ni kadipona nyawinjo mana duol mawuok kar kacha wawinjane thum mamit mawuok Uhuru Gardens kaeto bang'e ang'eni ang' waduoka mondo makoni mathoth mantiere kar kacha. Wanya yudo duol thum mantiere kar kanyo. Nyakwara Mogejwang', director mar Bob Wafula kona kanyo ni duol no bende nitiere achiel kachiel. En ikruok mar chopo mar jatend piny Kenya William Ruto. E kinde moro amora mantiere sani jotend sirkal dhi bedo kar kanyo achiel kachiel mar mondo mi warangi. Aya Nyakwara Mogejwang', to ntiere duol monya winjo. Aya mano nyabedo kanyo ni pod watemo mana manye kanyo achiel kachiel, to gima nyaka warangi kendo wawinji ni gin to gin mage mantiere madhi bedo kae ka wayudo achiel kachiel. Sekta mar somo kod mano mar thieth, mar arita kwe e kind mamoko ma bende dhi bedo kar ka gin moko madhi bedo kae ka warango Nyakwara Mogejwang'. Wawinjane kae to waduokane matin kadipo ni nyawinjo duol ma wuok Uhuru Gardens.
Kenya ni yule mwenye kutenda haki kwa watu wote, mwenye kutenda haki, mwenye kutenda haki. Na ukipenda Kenya ujitengane na mambo yenye kuvunja amani.
Mic test, mic test.
Kenya kipenzi chetu, nchi yenyewe.
Mic test, mic test.
Hatutaacha Kenya daima na milele. Kenya kipenzi chetu, hatutaiacha milele daima. Wenzangu, Kenya kipenzi chetu, hatutaiacha milele daima. Na tumeapa sote wananchi wa Kenya kutumikia Kenya daima na milele.
Tusimame sote tuimbe kwa pamoja, Kenya kipenzi chetu.
Wenzangu, Kenya kipenzi chetu, hatutaiacha milele daima. Kenya ni mama yetu, tena ni baba yetu, hatutaacha Kenya daima na milele. Kenya kipenzi chetu, hatutaiacha
Mic check, mic check.
milele daima. Wenzangu, Kenya kipenzi chetu, hatutaiacha
Mic check, mic check.
sitaiacha Kenya nchi yangu. Na nikienda ng'ambo nitarudi.
Wananchi watukufu, tumkaribishe katibu wetu ndugu Francis Atwoli kwa makofi mazuri anapojiunga nasi. Karibu sana section, akisindikishwa na pamoja pale na katibu wetu Bwana Mwadime. Vile vile ni kitambo uwepo wa waziri wetu, mkuu wa mawaziri, Prime Cabinet Secretary Mheshimiwa Musalia Mudavadi. Natambo uwepo wa waziri wetu Mheshimiwa Alfred Mutua, waziri wetu wa leba. Mimi ni mwana Kenya
wala sitapotoshwa na wabaya. Wenzangu, wenzangu, Kenya kipenzi chetu, hatutaiacha milele daima. Wenzangu, Kenya kipenzi chetu, hatutaiacha milele daima. Tushangilie Kenya, taifa letu tukufu.
Wananchi wapi furaha tunapoadhimisha makala ya 60. Tushangilie nchi yetu ya Kenya kwa makofi mazuri. Tunaanza tena DJ.
Tushangilie Kenya,
tushangilie taifa letu kwa furaha. Makala ya 60, sherehe ya Labor Day.
Kenya nchi tunayoipenda, Kenya nchi tunayoipenda, twajivunia sana tukijiita wa Kenya, nchi yenye baraka. Kenya nchi yenye baraka, Kenya nchi yenye baraka. Kenya makao yetu ni nchi
Angalia mawaziri wetu wanavyonengua viuno.
Wala sitapotoshwa na wabaya.
Angalia miondoko ya Secretary General Bwana Otuoli. Anaenda chini kwa chini. Chini kwa chini. Mimi ni mwananchi wa Kenya. Daima
sitadanganywa kamwe na wageni. Wala sitapotoshwa na wabaya. Wenzangu, wenzangu,
wapi shangwe na vigelegele wananchi watukufu. Mimi ni mwana Kenya daima. Ni furaha iliyoje kuona wananchi wanaojivunia kuwa wana taifa. Nikiomba walioko kwenye jukwaa na wengine tuweze kuketi tafadhali. Nitawaelekeza wakati wa kusimama. Shukrani kwa wote ambao wamefika. Ikiwa ni maadhimisho ya makala ya 60 sherehe ya Labour, tunapozidi kusubiri kuwasili kwa mgeni rasmi. Labda kwa ruhusa ya msaidizi wa Inspector General Bwana Wambura, kama tutaweza pata burudani fupi. Thank you sir. Sasa tushangilie Kenya wananchi. Mwalimu wa soka.
Tushangilie Kenya.
Nyokoromo ke juangi kanyo moneno kanyo jotelo osechopo. Jatend piny Kenya kama entiere kanyo achiel kachiel William Ruto ochopo e alap ma Uhuru Gardens kendo oganda jo Kenya gi jotelo mopogore opogore rwake kar kanyo. Ranyisi makende ni chenro mara Labor Day chako ayanga odiochiengni ma kawuono chenro ma ochako okinyi ma kawuono jafwambo marwa Lydia Okiya osebedo kar kanyo medo luwo chenro ma kama kaka kawuono wadhi winjo kawuok kuom jotelo ma bende osechopo achiel kachiel kindegi anga kawi mondo atere achiel kachiel alap ma Uhuru Gardens mondo mi iyud chenro ni achiel kachiel. Anasebedo kodi kago ni rokamano janeno marwa ma wageno ahinya odiochieng ma kawuono. Asebedo kodi karo okinyi ma kawuono saa 2 ka wakelo ni chenro ni achiel kachiel saa osekalo dakika 24 tok saa 4 mar okinyi ma kawuono wadatere achiel kachiel mondo iwinj chenro ma kamae bang' ka jatend piny Kenya osechung' kendo ranyisi ni chenro ma kamae chaka yanga. Anabedo kodi kaka tai nyinga Cleophas Oluoch jakisumo kanya kwar mokeo nyaka sango awei gi chenro ni mano mara Labor Day kama jatend piny Kenya dhibedo katwa kod jopiny kachiel koda katelo mangima mano mar kotu achiel kachiel wadhi nyaka Uhuru Gardens. An kuwuok kuoma wan med neno chenro mamoko mabiro e Ramogi TV ta nyamasani.
Nitaomba sote sasa tuwe wima kwa wimbo wa taifa wa Jamhuri ya Kenya na wimbo wa Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki. Wimbo wa taifa. Nitaomba tuwe watulivu. Tutaongozwa kwa maombi na Shehe Munshid Athan na kisha Askofu Jonathan Kabiru, ACK Diocese of Nairobi. Tunaomba.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and we raise our hands in prayer for the President and his family. Oh Allah, guide them to righteousness and success. Grant them strength to serve our beloved nation and bless their efforts, health and sustenance. O Allah, on this day that honors work and effort, we ask you to protect all the workers in this blessed country in all sectors, whether in factories, farms, schools, or in any other field. Bless their work and grant them success and progress in their lives. Make their efforts in your way, provide them with lawful sustenance and protect them from hardship and calamity. O Allah, we ask you to bless all the leaders of this country, from the government officials to the leaders of workers in all fields. Grant them wisdom, justice, and success in working for the welfare of the nation and its people. Protect them from all harm and evil. We plead to you, Allah, to make our country safe and stable. Protect it from all trials and calamities. Guide us to work hard for the betterment of our nation and grant us peace, security, and prosperity. Let this country be a beacon of peace and progress in the world. Finally, O Allah, send blessings, peace, and mercy upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his family, companions, and all those who follow them in righteousness until the day of judgment. Ameen ya arhamar rahimin.
In the name of God, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Almighty God, creator and maker of the universe, we come before thee with thanksgiving and worship to glorify you this morning of Labor Day. We acknowledge that you alone are the Lord of the universe, the God of all creation, both seen and unseen, the giver of life, good health, and sound mind, the God of our forefathers, the sustainer of human generations, the giver of all good things, the sole ruler of the world, and the head of thy church, and every institution established in the world, and all government, and the only God through whom forgiveness is possible. We call your blessed and holy name upon us this day as we gather to celebrate this year's Labor Day. With grateful hearts, we remember your grace and mercy in the past year, and we look with gratitude forward to another year of your blessing on our nation and on the labor of our hands. We pray that you may establish and protect our nation, our country, families, and communities. We commit to you, your servant, the President of our beloved Republic, His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, who labors day and night, traveling far and wide, seeking the best interest of our nation, our people, and to him, with your heavenly wisdom, divine favor, good health, renewed strength every day. In your grace, watch over his dear family, the First Lady, Mama Rachel, and the children, and all those that are dear to them. Keep them from all the attacks of the wicked one, and grant that your mighty heart will always be upon them, and give them peace. Renew our zeal now to work hard for the prosperity of our nation. Establish in us in our farms, in our industries, and in all our enterprises, for in this you are glorified. We pray for all Kenyan workers that we shall value our work as a gift from you and be diligent in our daily responsibilities. We pray for better working environment, that both employers and employees will treat each other with dignity, fairness, and respect. Grant that each one will live to enjoy the fruits of our labor. Most merciful God, in the midst of the prevailing economic instability across the world, we pray for your favor and mercy upon our nation. Help us to be prudent in everything that we do. Help us to work hard with much accountability, transparency, inclusiveness, and be good stewards focused toward your glory and all our priorities to make our economic grow. May we become stronger and better. We do sincerely praise and thank you for you hear and answer our prayers. In the name of God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Kwa ruhusa yako Mheshimiwa Rais, naomba tuketi. Mheshimiwa Daktari William Ruto, Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya na Amiri Jeshi Mkuu wa Majeshi ya Ulinzi, Mkuu wa Mawaziri, mawaziri wote, makatibu, Mwenyekiti Mkuu wa KOTU, Katibu Mkuu wa KOTU ndugu Francis Atwoli, bodi yote ya KOTU na trustees, mabalozi na maafisa wakuu wa kidiplomasia, wafanyakazi wote wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, mabibi na mabwana, nikisha tambua itifaki zote na kuziheshimu, kwa ruhusa yako Mheshimiwa Rais, karibu katika kipindi hiki sasa ambacho tutaongozwa na wenzangu ambao watatuletea gwaridi ambalo litapita mbele yako, ikiwa na maadhimisho ya makala ya 60 sherehe ya Labor Day. My co-MCs, tafadhali, the floats.
Asante sana mwenzangu mtukufu Rais Dr. Samoei Ruto, mkuu wa mawaziri, waziri wa leba na wengine wote ambao wamekuja kujiunga na siku ya leo, na wakaribisha kwa kuweza kuangalia ni kitu gani tunafanya viwandani, kwa sababu nchi hii inajengwa kutokana na kazi ambayo wafanyakazi wetu wanafanya kila siku ili kuhakikisha ya kwamba nchi yetu inaenda mbele. Kwa hivyo nitaomba wale ambao wanaongoza msafara tuanze kazi, na muhakikishe ya kwamba watu wanapita haraka, kwa sababu tunataka tuhakikishe watu wengi wanakuja kwa haraka ili tuone ni kitu gani wanafanya viwandani. Kwa hivyo bandi ambayo inaongoza, wakati ni wenu. tafadhali. Na nashukuru kwa sababu watu wamekuja kwa wingi. Nadhihirisha sherehe ya miaka 60 ya KOTU ni sherehe ambayo inatambulika kikamilifu. Naam. Bandi ikiongoza nafuatiwa na wakina mama wa KOTU ambao kazi yao ni kuhakikisha KOTU inaendelea mbele bila wasiwasi yoyote. Na mwito wetu wa leo ni self-reliance in production, in the key economic growth and youth in action. Na washukuru sana. Nafuatwa na tele performance ambayo sasa ni kubwa pia inahusika na mambo ya kuhakikisha wafanyakazi wanaingia kwa viwandani vizuri na kufanya kazi kwa njia inayofaa. Hayo baada ni KOTU environment, kuhakikisha ya kwamba environment yetu inachungwa, kuhakikisha kazi inaendelea vizuri, kwa sababu bila environment hakuna mambo mengi. The National Labor Day Industrial Affiliates KOTU, that is our industry ambayo inahusika na mambo mengi yanayofanyika viwandani. Tafadhali tuongee tukipita, na wanaongea juu ya convention number 190 ambayo wanaomba iwe ratified kwa haraka. Tunaomba, tunajua waziri wa leba yako hapa, atahakikisha anaangalia hayo mambo. Tuende mbele. Tunafanya ni engineering ambayo ni ya Bwana Nyamwata ambaye yako hapa, first second vice chairman, anaendelea vizuri na union yake ndio inapita mbele. Hiyo pamoja na hiyo steel wire, mabati rollings, yote ni industry yake na Bwana Nyamwata. Haya, ingine nafuatwa ni NUSE ambayo pia inajulikana na inaongoza na katibu wake ambayo ni kampuni mzuri sana. Muendelee hivyo hivyo na jaribu. Alafu Chief OS Security, Chief OS ambayo inaongoza na ndugu Wandabwa ambayo wanajulikana kwa ulinzi wao, wanaaminika kwa kazi nzuri ambayo wanafanya. Asanteni sana. Ni watu ambao kazi yao inatambulika, wanafanya kazi kwa njia inayofaa kabisa. Kati World Securities ambayo zamani ilikuwa inaitwa KK Securities, saizi ni Kati World Securities. Wao pia wamebadilisha jina na wanaendelea na kazi yao nzuri kwa kulinda na kuhakikisha jambo lolote ambalo wanafanya ni jambo la busara sana. Asanteni sana kwa kazi nzuri ambayo mnafanya. Inji hii ni inji yenu na mnalinda inji vizuri chini ya ndugu Wandabwa security cards, walinda usalama. Asante sana, mnafanya kazi nzuri. Ili same company. Yeah, Kadaworks is a senior company. Wanafanya kazi mzuri sana. Securex is another security company ambayo pia inajulikana kwa kazi yake nzuri chini ya Mr. Ndabwa Security Farms. Securex, asanteni sana, mnatambulika kwa kazi yenu nzuri. Mahali popote wamepewa kazi, hakuna kusinzia. Kazi inasafanyika sawa sawa. Asanteni sana. Asanteni sana Securex. Kazi nzuri. Mnahakikisha mna usalama wa kutosha, mna security ya kutosha. Kiwa jambo linapotea popote, mna umbwa wa kutosha ambao wanasaidia nyinyi kuongeza. PM Securities, kampuni ambayo pia kwa ulinzi yake inatambulika na inafanya kazi nzuri sana kwa ulindi, kuhakikisha ya kwamba popote wanapopewa kazi wanafanya kwa njia inayofaa, na ndio waliomba ya kwamba in future wapewe, wahakikisha ya kwamba wanapewa security ya kutosha kwa kupewa silaha ambazo zinaweza kuwasaidia kulinda vizuri mahali popote wanapopewa kazi. SGA Security, kampuni ambayo pia inahakikisha kuna ulinzi wa kutosha, na hakikisha kazi inafanyika vizuri, na wanahakikisha wanalinda nchi yetu na mahali popote ambao umepewa. Rail Falcon Security pia wako hapo, wanaendelea vizuri. Tunawashukuru kwa kazi nzuri ambayo mnafanya. Ulinzi ni kitu cha maana kwa nchi hii na inawakilishwa kwa viwango mbalimbali ambavyo zinahakikisha kuna usalama wa kutosha. Armed Response Services wana provide na wanaendelea na job. Good services they provide. Alafu Flora Food Groups ndio hao wanapita mbele yetu wakahakikisha ya kwamba chakula wako na chakula ya kutosha. Ndio ilikuwa East African Industries, sasa hizi inaitwa Flora Food Groups. Asante sana, karibuni sana. Inaongozwa na ndugu Kokufao. Asante sana. Kenya Union of Commercial Food and Allied Workers pamoja na Madele Monde wanahakikisha ya kwamba matunda yao ni safi. Kama utumii sukari, matunda yao inakulinda. Kuna Kenya Union of Pre-Primary Education, nduko Pio. Asanteni sana. Seafarers Workers inaongozwa na sister yetu ambaye anajulikana na amefanya kazi mzuri. Kenya Hotel Bwana Sava, asanteni sana. Na Water Services Master Madilta kiwango ya Sister Madilta, asante sana kwa kazi nzuri ambayo mnafanya. Mhakikishe maji yako na yamesoshwa sawa sawa na yanaendelea vizuri. University of Nairobi ndio hao wanapita, watu wahakikisha ya kwamba vyuo vyetu zote zinalindwa vizuri na hasina shida. Wahakikisha masomo yanaendelea vizuri na wanahakikisha kila kitu inaendelea. Kenya Private University ya nduko Witi pia iko hapo na inaendelea vizuri, kuhakikisha kwa wale zile universities ambazo haziko katika serikali zinahakikisha vizuri. Asanteni sana ndugu yangu kwa kazi nzuri ambayo unafanya, kiongozwa na ndugu yetu hawana bana Kakuzi, ambayo inahakikisha kwamba tunaulea vitu zetu vya kilimo vizuri sana. Asanteni sana. Na hiyo haya, watu wetu wa Tailors and Textile, asanteni sana. Watu wanahakikisha ya kwamba kiosi chote ambacho kinalinda anafanya kazi nzuri. tumefika kiwango cha mwalimu NAT. Watu wote ambao wako hapa, wengi wao wamepitia kwa mikono ya mwalimu, na ndugu Collins Oyuu ndio kiongozi wao, na wanahakikisha ya kwamba elimu inaendelea kwa njia mzuri. Collins yuko, serikali imewaona, tunawashukuru kwa umoja wenu. Muendelee kuhakikisha walimu wanalindwa sawa sawa. Hiyo ni jambo la muhimu sana. Run for peace. Kundi la wanafunzi wa vyuo vikuu, Universities and Colleges Students Peace Association of Kenya, likiongozwa na mkurugenzi wao wakili Alan Chacha. Hawa ni wanafunzi ambao wanahakikisha ya kwamba kuna usalama. Wametoka kwa viwanda universities, 55 universities, na muendelee hivyo kwa sababu mnahakikisha kuna usalama. Asanteni sana. Haya, watu wa Shoe and Leather, ndugu Maina ndio hao wanahakikisha kwamba tunatengeneza viatu za kila aina, industrial shoes, executive shoes, kila aina zote ambazo wanataka kufanya, hao wanafanya. Viatu za kila aina, industrial za kila aina. Kiwa unataka kwenda kwa babu, unataka kujisaidia, unataka njia gani, yote na wanyikisha yote, pamoja na rangi yake ya Kiwi quality shoe polish. Kiwi ni rangi ambayo imejulikana kwa miaka nenda miaka rudi, na anafanya kazi nzuri sana. Kenya Chemical Workers Union nduko huko ambaye anawakilisha Kenya Chemical and Allied Workers and Chemical Workers Union wanakuja na Crown Paints. Crown Paints ni rangi ambayo inajulikana kwa kazi nzuri ambayo inafanya. If you want to have the best, then it is Crown Paints. Iwe ni kwa magari, iwe ni kwa manyumba, iwe ni kupaka nje, wapi kwa jua, padekani yoyote. Crown is the king of kings. So Crown is the king of kings. Na muhakikisha ya kwamba you don't miss on crowns. Asante sana watu wa Glass Packages. Hiyo ni ya Sister Jerry ambao wanafanya pesa mzuri kuhakikisha wanaendelea na kazi mzuri. Kent Paul the same, wanaendelea na kazi mzuri kuhakikisha yote ambayo wanafanya inatambulika na inaonekana. Hiyo ndio kazi nzuri ambayo wanafanya viwandani, bila kuhangaika, bila kufikiria lingine. Kazi inatembea sawa sawa. Bakeries and Yanduku Mwangure, hao wanahakikisha pia wako salama usalimin kutengeneza mikate ya chakula zingine. Yanduku Mwangure, asante sana kwa kazi nzuri ambayo mnafanya, na kila jambo ambalo mnafanya tunawatambua. Asante sana Maz Records kwa kazi nzuri ambayo mnafanya. Kwa viwanda mnahakikisha ya kwamba kila jambo linafanyika kwa njia inayofaa. Shukrani kubwa sana kwenu. Kampuni nyingine ambayo inaitwa Proto Alan inafanya kazi mzuri pia, na tunaendelea na kazi nzuri ambayo inafanya. Tunapendezwa na mzidi kufanya kazi kwa viwanda kuhakikisha nchi yetu inajijenga kwa haraka sana, kwa sababu kazi ya viwandani ndiyo kazi ambayo inahakikisha nchi yetu inaenda mbele. Amalgamated Union, Sister Rosso Mamo ambaye ndio kiongozi wao, na anahakikisha kazi inaendelea vizuri katika engineering, tengeneza vyuma na kila jambo ambalo wanafanya, wanahakikisha nchi inaendelea vizuri. Tailors and Textile Workers Union nayeongozwa na Reverend Joel Kandie Chebe ambayo ni Chairman General wa KOTU, pia wako hapa kuhakikisha wanatuonyesha ni kitu gani wanafanya viwandani. Nguo za kila aina ziko hapa, wanatengeneza zote. Royal Apparel EPZ wako na nguo za kila aina. Ukitaka kupata hizi nguo uende hapa lokali ziko, na pia ng'ambo zinapatikana kwa maduka ya ng'ambo. Kazi nzuri sana ambao wanafanya Royal Apparel EPZ. Shukrani sana, mnajua kazi yenu na tunafurahia kazi yenu. Nyinyi ni wenye kuhakikisha inji inaenda mbele vizuri. Asanteni sana Royal Apparel, umefanya kazi mzuri. Supra Textile pia na textile industry, wasonge haraka, hatutaki pengo hilo haraka. Asanteni sana kwa kazi ambayo mnafanya viwandani. Unaona wanaonyesha material safi na kutandika ya kufanya nini, shona manguo na kila chamba ambalo wanafanya. Sunflag Textile bado ni textile industry, na ni industry kubwa ambayo inahakikisha kila jambo linatembea kwa njia inayofaa. Very good. Nafurahia sana. Kenya Union of Journalists, ndugu yangu Eric ako hapa na mimi, anahakikisha kwamba habari zinafikia watu wakati unaofaa na ni sawa ukweli. Hakuna cha kuchanganya lolote. Asante sana. Hiyo ingine wanakuja pia textile industry EPZ, na washukuru sana kwa sababu mnafanya kazi nzuri. Nguo zenu zinaonekana, mnafanya mambo ambayo inaendelea United. Asante sana kwa kazi nzuri mnafanya. Muendelee mbele kwa sababu nyinyi ndio mnafalisha inji yote, na kila jambo na kila mtu anatambua nyinyi. Hiyo ni kazi nzuri sana mnafanya. Maendeleo ndio jambo la maana kwa inji yetu hii, kwa sababu bila hiyo hakuna maendeleo yoyote. Kwa maana Kenya is focusing to be industrialized country by 2030, and 2030 is not far from us, it's just around us. Kwa hivyo tunapoona nyinyi mnatoka huko pote kutengeneza haya mambo yote mnafanya, tunafurahia sana. Muhakikishe tailors and textile industry, kazi nzuri mnafanya. Asante sana tailors and textile. Asante sana utengenezaji wa vitu mbalimbali. Haya, parking insurance hiyo Letipape naendelea vizuri. Alafu Tipape ole Tipape hiyo inaendelea vizuri sana, mambo ya insurance ya kampuni. Alafu Kenya Commercial, Kenya Union of Commercial Food and Light Workers, Kenya Union of Commercial, kazi nzuri. Haya, hii ni ndugu Torome ambaye ni concert, naangalia kuhakikisha ya kwamba tertiary planning yote inachungwa kwa njia inayofaa. Kazi nzuri ambayo wanafanya, na hiyo ni yote ni ya Mungu. Haya, inaitwa the top unit wares EPZ. Asante sana, mnafanya kazi nzuri, yote hiyo ni textile. Workers of Shauri Moyo Bee Housing Project ambao wanahakikisha ni under construction and building union, wanahakikisha ya kwamba wanafanya kazi mzuri, wajenzi wa masoko na kila kitu katika Shauri Moyo, na popote wanapofanya kazi wanafanya kazi kwa bidii. Na nimesema tuko commercial iko. Haya, tuendelee na wakazi ambao watoka Kibera, Soweto, Bee Social Security. Wewe maridadi sana kwa kazi nzuri ambayo mnafanya. Kenya Railways ambayo ni ndugu Jumo, nayo pia haikuachwa nyuma, wanaendelea na kazi nzuri, wahakikisha ya kwamba mambo yao inaonekana. SGR inaendelea kupanuliwa. Nashukuru Mheshimiwa Rais kwa sababu umenegotiate extension ya SGR. Na nakushukuru sana. Workers of Mukuru Social Housing Mukuru, asante sana. Kenya Union of Domestic Hotels and Ndukunjeru ndio wao wanakuja mbele wakionyesha ya kwamba wanafanya kazi yao kwa njia kani. Domestic workers ndio hao ambao karibu sisi wote hapa ni employers, kwa sababu at least mtu ameandika fanyakazi wa nyumbani na lazima walindwe sawa sawa, wapewe haki yao. ILO Convention number 189 na 190 ambazo zinawalinda ziko. Kenya Petroleum Oil and Workers Union and Ukokoth ndio hiyo inapita hapa mbele hakikisha mafuta yetu inalindwa sawa sawa na kazi inaendelea vizuri. Kenya Union of Commercial Food and Allied Workers ikiongozwa na ndugu Kabubi, Boniface Kabubi, ambaye ni mtu matata mashuhuri kabisa, anaongoza wafanyakazi wake vizuri. Automobile Association, Vehicle Evaluation Inspection na kila kitu inafanywa na AA. Ukitaka kuendesha kwa mtu mzuri Kenya itakupa mafunzo mazuri kuhakikisha ya kwamba inaendeshwa na kazi mzuri sana ambayo unafundishwa na inafanya kazi mzuri. Asante sana AA. Unajulikana kwa mafunzo mazuri. The best drivers we have been trained by AA. Asante sana. Asante sana. Ninyi ni watu wa nguvu. Ninyi ni watu wa nguvu. Mnaelewa kazi yenu. Mnalinda nje. New White Apparel EPZ. Ndio hiyo. Inaongozwa na Reverend Koel Kandia TV. Wote wanajua kazi yao. Hakuna mchezo hapo. Na hawa nao wanakuja ni kupet ambayo inaongozwa na ndugu yetu Akelo Misori, ambaye ni mtu shupavu sana akiwa kwa shughuli zingine ngamba, lakini anaakilishwa na mdogo wake hapa, ambao ni walimu wetu wa secondary schools, wanahakikisha watoto wote wanaenda university. Hakuna mtoto kuanguka hao wakiwa darasani. Wote wanaenda university kama hao wanawafunza. Asanteni sana kwa kazi nzuri mnafanya. The County Government Workers Union ukiongozwa na ndugu yetu Roba Tuba. County Government, mambo matata yote iko hapa kwa sababu ni watu wanajua kazi yao, wanalinda kazi yao vizuri. County Government zote ziko chini yao na wanahakikisha kazi inafanyika vizuri. Asante sana kwa kulinda nchi hii. Devolution ilifanya kazi nzuri na mnaendelea vizuri. You are well determined and you know what you are doing. Na washukuru sana kwa sababu nyinyi ni watu wa nguvu. Tukiendelea gani? Kenya National of Nurses, Union of Nurses, Seth Panyako. Nurses wetu ndio hao wanahakikisha tuko na usalama, tunatibiwa kwa njia inayofaa, tunaangaliwa kwa njia iliyo nzuri, wanahakikisha usalama unarudi kwa binadamu, na jambo lolote linalomuuma mtu wanalinda. Usalama ni kwa kila mtu. Haya, asanteni sana na muendelee namna hiyo. Matatu Workers Union, matatu sasa haibaki nyuma. Wanataka kuhakikisha kuna sheria ya kulinda watu wa matatu ili wawe pamoja na sisi. Yote inawezekana kwa kupitia kwa watu wa matatu. Asante sana. Keep up. We will recognize you. G4S, which passed here the other time, this is their now vehicles and ambazo wanatumia kwa kufanya kazi zao. Asanteni sana G4S. Mnafanya vizuri, barua zinafika kwa wakati unaofaa, hakuna kuchelewa. message yoyote ambayo unatakana kufanya, mnafanya kwa njia nzuri, pamoja na very tight security ambayo sasa hawataki mchezo. Wakipewa kazi wanafanya kazi na roho moja, kwa amani na upendo. Hiyo yote inafanyika chini ya ulinzi katibu mkuu ndugu Francis Atwoli, ambaye anasimamia hao watu wote ambao wanafanya hii kazi. Tunaendelea hivyo. Kuna wengine ambao wanakuja, wote ni watu ya ulinzi ambao walishapita hapa, lakini sasa wanaonyesha vifaa gani wanatumia kwa kazi yao hiyo. Kwa hivyo nawashukuru sana kwa kazi yenu ambayo mnafanya kuhakikisha kuna usalama mahali popote ambapo mumepewa kibarua na wasimamizi wenu. Hiyo ni kazi nzuri mnafanya. Security firms. Yes. Asante sana. Kazi nzuri, muendelee hivyo, muongeze maarifa, muchukue usukani kuhakikisha nchi yetu inaendelea mbele. Hakuna kurudi nyuma, kwa sababu nchi hii inataka kuhakikisha kila mtu anasonga mbele. Asante sana. Katwali ambayo zamani ilikuwa ni KK Cards, sasa wamebadilisha jina na wanahakikisha ya kwamba ulinzi uko sawa sawa. Sifa ni kwenu nyinyi wote kwa kazi nzuri ambayo mnafanya. Sifa ni kwenu kwa sababu hakuna lingine ambalo mmewacha bila kufanya, mpaka kuhakikisha mna firefighting equipments, mna kila kitu ambacho kinaweza kuhakikisha kinasaidia wakati shida yoyote inaweza tokelezea, na nyinyi muko pamoja nao. Hamwachi nyuma. PM securities pia muko pamoja nao. Kazi yenu ni ya kupendeza sana. Kazi inaendelea vizuri. Wa magari watu wa vifaa bado zinakuja, na tutahakikisha sote zipite mbele hapa, kwa sababu nataka tujue ni kazi gani kila kikundi kinafanya. Tuendelee mbele SHA, ambapo kila mtu anaomba ajiunge na SHA, kwa sababu hapo ndio usalama wako huko. Punguza mambo ya harambee kwa magonjwa, punguza mambo mengi, ingia SHA, alafu hakikisha ya kwamba unapata matibabu inayofaa. KenGen hawa ndio wanahakikisha tuna umeme, wakiongozwa na ndugu yetu Ernest Nadome Gatau. Wanahakikisha kuna stima inatoka kwa mfuke, inatoka sehemu mbalimbali, kuhakikisha hakuna blackouts na vitu zingine katika nyumbani kwetu. Waliniambia ya kwamba mwaka huu kuendelea mbele blackouts hazitakuwa. Asante sana kwa wale wanatoka kwa printing na kuprepupa ambaye inaongozwa na Sister Jerry. Asante sana kwa kazi nzuri mnayofanya. By securities na wale watu wa ulinzi na vingine, nashukuru sana. Na wale ambao wanaenda driving school wa vehicle evaluation and inspection, ambayo nafikiri watu wake wa mkono walipita hapa, na sasa hawa wanatuonyesha ni vifaa gani wako nazo viwandani. Asanteni sana kwa kazi nzuri ambayo mnafanya. Hii ni njia moja ambayo tunahakikisha ya kwamba nchi yetu inajitosheleza viwandani, kwa sababu tusipofanya hivyo tutakuwa kwa imports, na imports ni kupromote biashara za watu wengine ambayo haitasaidia sana. Watu wa maziwa KCC, asante sana, kiongozwa na ndugu Kabubi ambaye anasimamia watu wa KCC. Asanteni sana. Bado tunaendelea kwa sababu Kenya hii wale watu wako viwandani ni wengi na wanafanya kazi nzuri sana kuhakikisha nchi inaendelea vizuri. Wale ambao wako mbali wafanye haraka kwa sababu tunataka kwenda kwa kiwango kingine. Wale ambao wana control track wahakikisha wanakuja haraka. Nataka tukimaliza kwa sababu tumepewa muda wa kutosha na rais wetu kuhakikisha ya kwamba tuonyeshe vifaa ambazo tuko nazo. Hawa ni watu wa Kenya Power ambao wanaonyesha vile wanaunganisha stima, na ikiwa kuna emergency wanakuja haraka chini ya ndugu Ernest Nadome ambaye anasimamia watu wa Kenya Power. Hakuna kuleka, kazi ni kwenda kwa haraka. Yote inawezekana kwa ajili mambo hii inaendelea chini ya rais wetu Dr. Samuel Samoei Ruto ambaye ameilinda sawa na anataka kuhakikisha viwanda zote zinafanya kazi kwa njia inayofaa. Asante sana. Na kwa wale ambao hawajafika, nafikiri tutakuwa na nafasi yenu mwaka ujao na mtaonyesha vifaa zenu. Asanteni sana, na naombea Mungu awabariki, awepe neema kuhakikisha ya kwamba nchi yetu inaendelea haraka kimaendeleo na kwa vyovyote vile. Asante sana ndugu yangu, usukani ni wako. Shukrani.
Haya basi, pongezi kwa wafanyikazi wote ambao wamewakilisha wale wengine na kutuonyesha vifaa ambavyo wanatumia kila wakati kwa kufanya kazi. Kwa heshima Mheshimiwa Rais, kwa sasa tunavyotulia, nataka niwakaribishe Kotu Band, Ninga Flames na Choirs kupatia wimbo mmoja kabla tuende kwa horodha ya sasa kwenda kwa hotuba. Kwa hivyo Kotu Band, Ninga Flames and the Choirs, uwanja ni wenu.
Inspiration through the workers' blood shall run. There can be no power greater anywhere beneath the sun. Yet what the union makes us solidarity, solidarity. Solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong.
Tuwapongeze Kotu Kwaya kwa wimbo wao Solidarity Forever. Najua wengi wetu wanajua chorus peke yake, kumbe ni wimbo mkamilifu. Tuwapigie makofi tena Kotu Kwaya kwa kutumbuiza kwa wimbo Solidarity Forever. Kwa sasa Mheshimiwa Rais, naomba tuendelee na hafla yetu, na sasa naomba nimwalike the chairman of General Central Union of Trade Union Kotu, Brother Reverend Joel K. Chebi, aje anene machache. Tumpigie makofi tukimwalika mwenyekiti. Karibu sana.
Your Excellency, President Dr. William Samoei Ruto, CGH, the President of the Republic of Kenya, and the Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces. Dr. Francis Atul, Secretary General of Kotu, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, the Prime Cabinet Minister, Honorable Dr. Alfred Mutua, EGH, the Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Labor and Social Protection, all senior government officials present. Your Excellency, before I proceed, I will request you and the whole congregation to stand up, maana tulipoteza jana Mheshimiwa Charles Ong'ondo Were, MB Kasipul. Yeye alikuwa ni champion ya wafanyakazi. It's unfortunate jana aliaka. Kwa hiyo Your Excellency, kwa heshima hiyo, na najua alikuwa anasaidia serikali yako na kusaidia wafanyakazi pia, ningeomba heshima hiyo tusimame kwa dakika moja. Your Excellency. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. We can sit down. Your Excellency, allow me in my capacity as the Chairman General of Kotu to formally welcome you, Your Excellency, to the 6th anniversary of International Labour Day celebration here in Kenya. We appreciate for your coming. At the same time, Your Excellency, allow me to thank you. Allow me to thank you for operating an open door policy for workers whenever they seek your audience like today. Equally, Your Excellency, let me welcome and thank all Kenyans workers who are gathered here today and those watching us from their homes or places of work. Allow me also, Your Excellency, to now again Thank you. You know, sangine kuongea kama mtu abane kwa kiti ni hatari sana. I don't know what to say. So, Your Excellency, this Labor Day is very important for our Kenyan workers and the whole world. Na tunaomba ya kwamba wewe umekuja leo hii na umeona umati huo ambao wamekuja. Tunataka kushukuru, najua Dr. Atuola atakuja kusukumuza, lakini na kushukuru tena maana ulikuwa hapa last year na cabinet yako na leo umekuja. Kwa hiyo tunashukuru. Kile naomba tu ni ya kwamba asante kwa employers. Na Your Excellency, kuna employers aina mbili, because mimi namaliza. Aina ya kwanza ni wale wanachunga wafanyakazi na wanalipa taxes. Aina ya pili ni employers ambaye wananyanyasa wafanyakazi na pengine walipe taxes. So naomba through Minister of Labor, Dr. Atuola kwa hapo, turekebishe mambo hayo kwa ajili ya wafanyakazi. Maana hatutaki kuissue strikes. Sisi ni watu wangwana. Na kwa hiyo ninaomba wafanyakazi walindwe na wasaidiwe wherever they are. Your Excellency, sasa I want to recognize a delegation from Egypt. We have a delegation from far end Egypt who have come all the way. It is the Kotu of Egypt, and they are here, Your Excellency. They have come to join us together with you. Kindly, I want to recognize them to stand wherever they are. They are led by Brother Eid, the Secretary General, equivalent to Kotu in Egypt. I don't know where they are. You can stand up. Let Excellency see you. He's the Secretary General of Egypt. Your Excellency, I want to call now upon Dr. Francis Atuola. Dr. Francis Atuola, umekaa na yeye, tumekaa pamoja naye. Na si mtu rahisi sana, unajua yeye party kuna nguvu mingi. The last time nilijua yeye alikuwa na watoto 18. Your Excellency, it's very important. Ujue ni mtu ya nguvu sana. Sisi wengine tulifunga chapter hiyo. Lakini ukiona yeye hivyo bado iko na niseme yeye bado iko na ile mama ya mwisho yang. So mtu kama hiyo, Your Excellency, si mtu rahisi sana. I thought umngepika makofi upande hiyo. Bana rais. Kwa hiyo nashukuru kwa kazi yako. Hiyo kuendelea hivyo, uendelee, lakini tusaidie wafanyakazi. It is now my time, Your Excellency, to welcome Dr. Francis Atuola, na ningeomba makofi tafadhali. Dr. Atuola, katibu mkuu wa Kotu.
Reverend, sometimes you can make me laugh. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, I want to assure you that today I will be very, very brief, because in your position as our president, you have all information concerning the working men and women across our country. I want to recognize the cabinet secretary. I want to recognize your prime cabinet secretary, Honorable Dr. Musalia Mudavadi. I want to thank him also to have taken time to accompany you. I want also to recognize my own minister or cabinet secretary, Minister of Labor, Social Protection, Mheshimiwa Dr. Alfred Mutua. All cabinet secretaries present, the Principal Secretary, Minister of Labor and Social Protection, State Department for Labor, Honorable Shadrach Mwangolo Mwadime, the Principal Secretary, Minister of Labor and Social Protection, State Department for Social Protection and Senior Citizen Affairs, Mheshimiwa Joseph Mogosi Motari. I want to recognize the Executive Director of the Federation of Kenya Employers, Sister Jacqueline Mugo, accompanied by her able president of the organization. Other principal secretaries present, ambassadors and high commissioners, managing trustee of our National Social Security Fund, Brother David Koros, the acting director general of the Industrial Training Authority, nowadays is known as NITA, National Industrial Training Authority, Sister Teresa Wasike. Other dignitaries present, members of the executive board of KOTU, members of our secretariat, our brothers led by Brother Aid Marcel from Cairo, Egypt, who leads the giant Egyptian Trade Union Federation, who are here with us. You are most welcome. Your Excellency, first and foremost, as I said, I will be very brief. I want to take this opportunity to thank you. We can't take it for granted. You were with us here last year. And since you were elected as our president, you have respected your position as a worker number one. And you have been with us all the time that workers have assembled here. You have shared this International Labor Day with us. Your Excellency, we are celebrating also our 60th anniversary. We have been around for 60 years. And in these 60 years, Your Excellency, I have been around as the leader of labor movement in this country for 24 years. And recently, Your Excellency, when we were with you in Nyanza, I did mention that you are my last president for me to serve. I have served all presidents of the Republic of Kenya. And I also assured shop stewards recently that as you see me here, I'm contemplating to exit. But then, because we have democracy, and there are people who are watching what we are doing, whether we are responsive to workers' needs or not, a section of my executive board met and gave another resolution, and they are confident in me. But I want to assure them, as much as we have heard our song, which says our solidarity is forever, we call ourselves brothers and sisters. This does not mean that as we enter into the new year, that it will be only Atuoli who can be able to lead labor movement. Our organization is democratic. We are free and independent. And among our affiliates, 42 of them, they know your capabilities, those who are affiliates, your abilities to articulate issues concerning working men here and across the globe, and they will make a decision, and we will respect their decision. Your Excellency, our this year's theme is self-reliance in production is the key to economic growth. Your Excellency, unless we are in producing, unless we are in manufacturing, unless we are attracting foreign exchange, our economy can hardly grow. But if we produce and we support you towards that direction, we will be in a position to spur economic growth and create more employment for our young men and women. Your Excellency, as Kenyan workers, we remain alive to the fact that global political trends largely affect market dynamics and the prospects for growth and employment creation. Some of the problems that face us are not only unique to us here, but some are global. But if we are together with you, Your Excellency, if we work hard, if we produce more, we can overcome all these global economic challenges. Without a doubt, the election of Donald Trump as the 47th President of the United States of America and his consequent policies that are focused on building and manufacturing capabilities of the U.S. through self-reliance and imposition of tariffs call for all of us to relook and to rethink twice how we can be free and independent economically. Your Excellency, this year's Labor Day celebration is a special one because Kenyan workers will be marking 60th years of anniversary, as I have said. And we have made a remarkable achievement. Wewe mwenyewe umeona wafanyikazi wakipita hapa mbele yako. Umeona zile vitu wanafanya viwandani. Umeona kazi zao. Umeona commitment yao. Na wewe ndio mlinzi wao. You are the chair of our industrial relations practice in this country. And therefore, as you sit, as you look at them, I know you think well about Kenyan workers. Indeed, as I said, we will support you towards any route you take in enhancing and protecting workers' rights in this country as a champion of social justice, number one. Your Excellency, on outsourcing, Your Excellency, one of the biggest problems that your government faces in meeting its revenue collection target is outsourcing of labor that has become a very common among the Kenyan employers. As Kenyan workers, we appeal to your government to institute action that will ensure that workers are covered by collective bargaining agreements as it is practiced world over. And the outsourced people have an opportunity to contribute to our revenue through statutory deductions as other permanent employees. Your Excellency, we can also foster self-reliance in production, particularly in key sectors like agriculture, manufacturing, and also supporting micro, small, and medium enterprises. As I said, Your Excellency, I don't want to take a lot of your time. Kwa ajili sijui umetubebea nini. Naweza ongea sana na urudi na ile kitu umebebea wa Kenya. Your Excellency, you have seen the textile industry here. It is our wish that we support our textile industry. Because when we were growing, we had Kikomi, we have Raymond, we have Rivertex, we had Thika, textile milling machines, we had everywhere in Kenya, we were producing textile materials. We need to go back there, Your Excellency, and we will support you to create more employment. Lastly, I shouldn't say last, but second or third to last, I want to take this opportunity to thank you. Last week you went to China, and we in Central Organization of Trade Unions, we work closely with all Chinese Federation of Trade Unions. And Chinese, Your Excellency, most of them are genuine and they support Africa genuinely. But since our policy, foreign policy, and our Kenya's policies of a non-alignment, we work with every nation. But I want to thank you for your trip to China, we will be able to realize more, particularly the agreement you signed to address the dual carriageway from Nairobi towards Western Kenya, and also to extend SGR. SGR is one of the important routes that will alleviate transport problems facing Kenyans. The other area I want to mention, President, that I cannot sit down without mentioning this. This is an area of patriotism. This one I will talk, and I will talk as a patriotic Kenyan until I go to the grave. I'm appealing to Kenyans, Your Excellency. We must love this country. We have no any other country. If this country went down to dogs, we have no any exit route. Kenyans are watching their television. They should look what is happening in Bukavu, in what is happening in Goma. Pali mtu anatoka na watoto na kondoo, wanafika kwa njia, wana abandon kondoo, anarudi kwa watoto yake na wajafika pahali wanaenda. This is not the route we want to take. But Your Excellency, one day you Kenyans will remember me. If we don't regulate social media, if we don't, in China where you have been, it is regulated. With a population of about 1.4 billion people. In Dubai, it is regulated. In UK, it is regulated. In US, it is regulated. Kenya cannot be free for all. Kenya can't. You see, that is the patriotism that we must follow. Your Excellency, I want to appeal to you also to apply reforms in public institutions like posts, those postal cooperation, to make sure that it is effective. Because if you look at Amazon, which does the same job in the US, it does very well. We want to make sure that that one is handled well. We support also, Your Excellency, the issue of leasing our sugar industries. They must not remain moribund. They must be seen producing sugar for our own Kenyan, for our own consumption and export for purposes of creating employment. We must support you so that we can be able to create employment. Lastly, Your Excellency, I want to appeal to you. This city belongs to all of us, and this city must reflect other cities of the world. This city must reflect Accra, Ghana. This city must reflect Abuja in Nigeria. This city must reflect Kigali in Rwanda. This city must reflect Abidjan in Ivory Coast. We cannot remain in a filthy city, a city of hawkers, a city of riders, a city of matatus, and when somebody arrives at the airport on Mombasa Road, is full of hawkers depicting the picture of poverty of Kenya. This must come to an end, and we are appealing to the national government to team up with the county government and make sure that we have a city. Let landlords paint their buildings, repair their pavements, and make sure Nairobi, we reclaim our lost glory of this international city. Your Excellency, we support your housing problem, and we appeal, since we are represented on that board, that workers should use their pay slips to acquire those houses. Workers have no money for deposit. We can use our pay slips to get into those houses. I appeal to you to go towards that route, Your Excellency. The other area, Your Excellency, I want to appeal to you. I want to assure you, not to appeal. I am sitting on SHA board representing workers. And I want to show Kenyans that SHA is working. SHA is now working. Lastly, Your Excellency, I want to support the managing trustee chorus of NSSF. He has done a commendable job. He has done very well. And as I'm talking, since we implemented the new act, NSSF has realized 220 billion for Kenyans, and we must rally behind the managing trustee of the NSSF. Lastly, Your Excellency, we have a problem. You saw workers here with placards saying, let us carry out ratification on ILO Convention number 189 to protect our domestic workers. Let us also ratify ILO Convention 190 to stop both domestic harassment and violence at workplace. These two conventions have been ratified world over. And Your Excellency, you need to talk also to the Federation of Kenya Employers. You are our person. Let them give us support in this direction. Your Excellency, you need also to talk to the Federation of Kenya Employers. That when you gave these workers 6%, to date is not fully implemented. I'm telling you for free and for sure. And there is no any time His Excellency the President has announced the year salary increase and then it becomes a subject of debate. And when it comes to ILO Convention, it will be your government that will be accused at the International Labour Organization. It will not be COTU, it will not be the Federation of Kenya Employers or anybody else. So anybody frustrating the ratification of ILO 189 and Convention 190 is frustrating your government. Anybody who doesn't want that 6% you gave us to be fully implemented, he's not frustrating workers, but he's frustrating the government. I would have gone on and on, Your Excellency, but as I said, I don't want to get you tired. I want to repeat that please, we want to live in a peaceful country, address issues of social media, address issues that are afflicting these workers. If you have something, Your Excellency, the cost of living in this country is at around 45%, and that is too high for them. This is caused with some dynamics of variations in economic performance and some global also economic situation that affect us as well. Your minister has tried what he can, but I will assure you, please go to his rescue, try to make sure that these workers are properly compensated, and more so, Your Excellency, what is eating in our jobs are free riders, people who are employed through the back door, outsourced at a lower rate. They don't pay taxes. They don't contribute to collective bargaining agreement. There is no any agreement binding on them. They are slaves in our industries, enslaved by employers, and Kenya as a free country can sit and see people outsourcing people. A company retrenches people, it asks its supervisor to form a company of exploitation. This can't be allowed in free Kenya. We can't allow that under your watch. As I promised, President, I want to be very brief because we will be talking. May I take this opportunity to invite your Honorable Minister for Labor, Dr. Mutua, who will be able to give some few words and observe protocol, other protocols for you to come and say. The other thing I'm being reminded by my deputy that I had forgotten, ni mambo ya hizi vitu tunakatwa, housing, nini, taxation. It should not be on gross salary. Hizi vitu vinatakana viwe on basic, so that gross, umefanya overtime, umefanya nini, it's not interfered with. And I know Your Excellency will look at that. All deductions, salary deductions, statutory deductions should be at basic, not on gross, where somebody might have toiled very hard to work on overtime and he doesn't realize something. Mwisho, Your Excellency, usitishike. Iko watu wengi wanapenda kutisha sana. Mimi nilikuwa hapa President Kenyatta akiwa president. After 3 years we had a problem in the government. Jaramogi left. Nilikuwa hapa when Moi was a president. After a few times there was a lot of problems. Nyinyote mnajua until up 1982. Mpaka when he was leaving kila saa watu bila Moi yote inawezekana. Nimekuwa hapa President Kibaka akiwa kwa kiti mimi. And I served him. Kibaka alitengeneza kila kitu Nairobi. He improved the economy. But 2007, hawa wananchi voted him out. We had to do some ukarabati. Sasa, nimekuwa hapa wakati wa Uhuru. Uhuru ni rafiki yangu sana. But you could hardly see him outside the way you are outside, you are visible everywhere. But he managed to finish his 10 years. Hawa wa Kenya unasikia ground ni mbaya. Hapa ground hapana mzuri. Ruto must go. Na sio ground ni mbaya. Wewe anasema ground ni mbaya. Mwenyewe hana ground. Unasikia hiyo? Wacha tuwache mtu amalize kazi yake. I saw watu wa press. Mtu ameandika kwa Standard. Anasema Atuoli yeye kazi ya trade union court is not a political party. We serve the government of the day. We negotiate for our rights. Huyo kijana anataka elewe hiyo. We are not a political party. We are not aspiring to have a president. We must support the government of the day for the stability in the country, which will be extended to industrial stability. Wewe fanya kazi, kama iko makosa, we are principled. We will come out and say, hatufichi. Kama iko watu ambao ni corrupt, we will tell you and take action. Na usitishwe. Let me take that Brother Mutua, waziri, kuja uongee, alafu hizo protocol zingine utaangalia za kuminvite His Excellency the President. President, I thank you very much for honoring this day. May God bless you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Atuoli. I think that's the shortest speech you've given in a long time. Congratulations. I'll also be very quick. Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, Excellency, Prime Cabinet Secretary, my colleagues, Honorable Eric Muga, Minister for Water, and Honorable Geoffrey Ruku of Public Service, PS Shadrach Mwadime, Karen Agengo, and Joseph Motari from my ministry and other principal secretaries, Honorable Justice Bira Mogaya of the Labor and Employment Court, and other honorable judges who are here, the chairman and executive board members of COTU, Sister Jacqueline Mugo, executive director of FKE, international partners, our friends from Misri, Karibu, distinguished guests. Your Excellency, sir, the Ministry of Labor and Social Protection is on steroids to ensure labor, which is one of the 4 factors of production, is nurtured to play its role in the development of Kenya as per your amazing economic plan. We're in a country that is in a rapid movement towards industrialization and manufacturing, and labor will play a very important role. We are embarking on various areas of providing employment to our people. One, we anticipate
that we are going to create over 500,000 jobs overseas, and we continue to put in place measures to ensure safe and orderly and regular migration and mobility. We have started dismantling cartels who had controlled this space for years, and we will continue to do so despite their theatrics. We have a program of Kazi Mtandaoni, Your Excellency, which you've launched, and by 2022 we approximately had 2 million Kenyans working in digitally enabled jobs, and the numbers are growing. It's a major growth, and we will be addressing some of the challenges, including the digital skill gap, unequal access technology, and other resources. Mheshimiwa Atwoli has talked about the challenges we are facing in social media. It's also an area that we need to have a conversation about to see how we can direct our energies from negativity to positivity so that we don't pull each other down. We have a program of Kazi Baharini, whereby we estimate to employ more people as seafarers and to work in the ocean, but there's a small challenge of seafarers' identification documents which need to be issued to revamp training curriculum of seafarers and give them opportunities. We have Kazi Kwa Ground, Juakali sector, Ujenzi sector. Thank you for the National Housing Program that is doing very well, affordable housing program, providing livelihood to millions of people, by extension by the workers that are working there. Your Excellency, there are a few challenges impeding progress of the programs. For example, we have cartels and rogue agencies that are taking advantage of vulnerable Kenyans. We have fake news on low labor mobility pathways are being used to either mislead our youth or try to discourage them, and we are dealing with them. Your Excellency, workers are not slaves. They are workers. They must be treated with respect. Recognition of their human dignity is a right and must be safeguarded at all times. Workers must be paid rightful legal wages, including overtime, and treated fairly without discrimination, and they should also enjoy decent work conditions. Workers in turn also need to be obedient, faithful, and dedicated to their employers, because it is a relationship. Workers need to identify the few among them who steal from the employers and try to bring down the same business that are employing them. So we are going to ensure that workers and working conditions are set by the law, and that people can go to work and work well. Your Excellency, kukona shida kidogo. I get a lot of reports in my office about sexual harassment. Sexual harassment in our workplaces. Nataka kuambia Wakenya ya kwamba mrembo akiandikwa, our sister, our children, our daughters, akiandikwa kazi, usianze kumpangia, unaanza kumnyemelea, na akikukataa unamfuta kazi, unaanza kumharas. We must ensure there is a safe working environment for our young girls and even our young boys. That power dynamics is something that we'll be talking about. A manager should not be dating a junior in the same office because of those power dynamics. Soko ni kubwa Kenya hii, angalia kila mahali. Soko ni kubwa, wachana na wafanyikazi wanaofanya kazi na wewe. And we will not continue with this habit, and we will take measures to ensure there is no sexual harassment in our workplaces. Your Excellency, savings is critical. We're encouraging all workers to ensure they have a savings plan, either through the NSSF, or if you're not employed, you're self-employed in the Juakali sector, in SMEs. NSSF has a Haba to Haba program, or where you can actually continue saving. It is important. Waswahili walisema ya kwamba ujana kama moshi ukienda haurudi. You are young today and vibrant. Hakuna kitu kibaya kama kuwa mzee ambaye hana pesa. You save today for tomorrow. And we're encouraging all workers, wherever you are, to engage and register for a savings program. Mheshimiwa Atwoli, I want to assure you that ratification of the conventions 188 and 199 is en route. I've held a meeting with my staff. I've talked to the PCS, and we are going to accelerate, together with other important laws that make sure that our people are given the rights that they deserve. Your Excellency,
Social dialogue is important. I'll be calling a meeting very soon between COTU, FKE, and all other social partners to discuss on working modalities. Strikes. At the end of a strike, people sit down and talk. And I want to encourage all workers. If there's a problem, talk to me. Let us sit down and discuss the problem before the strike, not sit down after the strike. And I can assure you we will be able to sort out many problems so that people do not go on strike, so that we have a country that is moving forward. Lastly, Your Excellency, I want to echo the words of Mheshimiwa Atwoli. You know, we hear very many words. I was a governor for 2 terms. Na wakati nilikuwa governor, watu walikuwa wanalalamika sana. Unajua, katika nchi yetu ya Kenya, kila mtu anajua kwamba ukiangalia shamba na unataka kulima, hilo shamba lazima upalilie, uchimbe kwanza vizuri, upande, mbegu ikimea upalilie, uweke maji, ikikua vizuri, kuna tumbili, kuna ndege, wafukuze wanyama, ndiweze kupata kile ambacho ulikuwa unapanda, ndiweze kupata. Na wakishia kwamba serikali hii ya William Ruto iko na mpango, na wakati huu bado tunaendelea kupalilia, na wakati huu bado tunaendelea kukuza na kufukuza nyani na tumbili, wengine tumeshafukuza wameenda nyumbani, ambao kazi yao ni kuharibu ule mmea. Na nchi hii najua kwamba kuja 2027 wa Kenya watakuwa wanauliza William Ruto ulifanya nini, na sisi tutakuwa tunaonesha serikali yako imefanya hiki na hiki na hiki. Kwa hivyo nawahimiza wa Kenya tusubiri na tuone, watch this space, kwa sababu mbele iko sawa. And it is now my pleasure to welcome His Excellency Honorable Musalia Mudavadi to say a few words and to welcome you to address the people of Kenya. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Your Excellency, President William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, the Secretary General of COTU, and the entire leadership of COTU, the Federation of Kenya Employers, my colleagues, public officers here present, and most of all, our distinguished workers who have come to celebrate the 60th anniversary of their efforts to build this country, and also to mark the Diamond Jubilee of our celebrations. Your Excellency, I'll not say much, but I just want to flag 2 issues. The first one is that this month, the World Bank and the IMF released data that officially confirmed that out of the 55 nations on the African continent, Kenya's economy is the 6th largest in the entire Africa. Your Excellency, this is a very big achievement. And as we celebrate the 60th anniversary of our workers, we want to recognize that Kenya would not have attained that without the sweat of the workers of Kenya. So we want to commend the workers, the producers of goods and services in Kenya for having played a very significant role in assisting Kenya to become the 6th largest economy in Africa. The second point, Your Excellency, on the same issue, is to emphasize that that growth must also come out of stable political leadership. Your Excellency, this is where you come in. You have led this country, you have maintained its stability, we have maintained democratic practices, and you are resolved to ensure that the stability is unquestionable. When we talk of the 6th largest economy, it cannot happen in an environment of turmoil. in an environment of conflict, in an environment of war, in an environment of political instability. And my dear brothers and sisters, the biggest threat to any nation is not terrorism. It is when the institutions of that country collapse. The president has held our institutions. The labor movement as an institution must be firm and solid. The working must be firm and solid. And all political structures and administrative structures must be solid. That comes through good leadership. And your president, your Excellency President, you have been at the forefront in ensuring that we walk the straight and narrow path of ensuring that our institutions work. Kwa hivyo, ndugu na dada, kwa kifupi, nimesema tunawapongeza kwa sababu baadhi ya mataifa 55 ya bara la Afrika, uchumi wa Kenya sasa ni namba 6 katika bara la Afrika. Hatungefika kwa kiwango hicho bila jasho yenu kama wafanyikazi. Tunasema asante sana. Jambo la pili, hatuwezi kufika pale ikiwa hatuna uongozi thabiti. Kwa hivyo tunamshukuru Mheshimiwa Rais kwa kuhakikisha kwamba Kenya ina uongozi ambao ni wa kidemokrasia na thabiti. Mkiona watu wakizungumza, wakipiga kelele, wakifanya nini, hiyo ni demokrasia. Na wengine wanafikiri kwamba hiyo kelele inamaanisha kwamba Kenya imeharibika. La, jaribu kupiga hiyo kelele katika sehemu zingine. Hata marafiki zetu wengine wanashindwa kuandamana kwa mataifa yao, wanakuja kuandamana Nairobi, wakiandamana mambo yao. Kwa hivyo Kenya ni thabiti na sisi tutii sheria, na ni wajibu wangu sasa kuwaomba msimame ili tumkaribishe Mheshimiwa Rais aje ahutubie wafanyikazi wa taifa letu. Hebu tumkaribishe kwa makofi. 1, 2, 3. Asante sana.
Thank you very much. Tafadhali tunaweza keti chini. Thank you very much. Asanteni sana. Mheshimiwa Prime Cabinet Secretary, waheshimiwa mawaziri, makatibu, katibu mkuu wa KOTU Daktari Francis Atwoli, and the entire labor movement leadership. Ndugu na dada wafanyikazi wenzangu wa taifa la Kenya, hamjambo. Hamjambo tena. Wafanyikazi hoye. Wakenya hoye. Mimi nafurahi sana kuungana na nyinyi katika sherehe hii ya muhimu ya kuadhimisha siku ya wafanyikazi katika taifa letu la Kenya. Pia kuadhimisha miaka 60 ya KOTU katika taifa letu la Kenya. Na kama mfanyikazi, naungana na wafanyikazi wenzangu. Kuna wale wafanyikazi wako permanent and pensionable. Alafu kuna wafanyikazi wengine kama sisi ambao tuko kandarasi ya miaka. Wengine wako na kandarasi ya miaka 3, wengine miaka 5 na tofauti zingine. Lakini sote sisi ni wafanyikazi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Na itachukua sote tukiungana, tukishirikiana, kwa sababu kuvua ni kazi, kufundisha ni kazi, kutibu ni kazi, kulinda walinzi wale kutoka yule guard mpaka CDF wa jeshi wote ni wafanyikazi. Pale sokoni kazi inaendelea, kule viwandani ni kazi inaendelea na wafanyikazi, kule mashambani vile vile ni kazi inaendelea na wafanyikazi. Sisi zote tukiunganika, tukifanya kazi kwa pamoja, ndio Kenya itapiga hatua ya kwenda mbele. Mimi leo napenda sana, huyu Atwoli alisema ataongea kwa kifupi, akaongea kwa kifupi kweli. But wacha nisome taarifa nilio nayo, alafu nitasema mambo machache. I am honored, ladies and gentlemen, to join you today as we mark 60 years of tireless advocacy, solidarity, and progress in protecting the rights and welfare of Kenyan workers. International Labour Day grants a timely reminder of our constitutional and moral duty to uphold the dignity of labor without discriminating by age, gender, race, ethnicity, or ability, and to continually confront the evolving challenges facing our workforce. This year's theme, self-reliance in production, is the key to economic growth and resonates deeply with our collective national ambition. It calls on all of us as government, workers, entrepreneurs, and communities to champion a Kenya that is resilient, productive, and truly self-reliant. It is in this spirit that this week the Cabinet approved the 2025 Finance Bill, a key instrument in our ongoing national economic transformation quest. This bill has been carefully crafted to stimulate economic growth, deliver efficiency, and enhance competitiveness and expand opportunity. In fact, its provisions are designed to offer targeted relief for both businesses and workers and to support the spirit of enterprise and productivity. Notably, to improve workers' take-home pay, employers will now be required to apply eligible tax relief and exemptions directly when calculating pay as you earn, a significant shift from the current system where such reliefs can only be claimed from Kenya Revenue Authority. Precisely what Atwoli was talking about. I think he read my speech, and that is why he was raising those issues. This will increase efficiency and immediately benefit employees. Additionally, all pensions and gratuity payments for both the public and private sector will now be tax exempt. This reform is a recognition of the service and sacrifice of our senior citizens and workers, and a step towards ensuring that retirement is met with dignity, not stress. Small businesses will also benefit from simplified tax treatment, as they will now be allowed to fully deduct the costs of everyday equipment in the year of purchase, thereby eliminating unnecessary delays in accessing or assessing tax relief. Distinguished workers, ladies and gentlemen, when we speak of making Kenya truly self-reliant, I am proud to report to the nation that we are not merely making declarations. We are taking bold, concrete, and measurable steps. We are walking the talk, and here is why. For decades, our national savings culture was stagnant compared to our neighbors in Uganda and Tanzania and elsewhere. Until 2023, just 2 years ago, the average Kenyan worker saved only 200 shillings a month through the National Social Security Fund. Over a span of 60 years, we collectively as a nation managed to save 320 billion. In 2023, we operationalized the law mandating a savings contribution of 6% by both employee and employer, and the result has been remarkable and impressive. In just 2 years, we have mobilized 280 billion in national savings, nearly equal to what we saved over 6 decades. By end of this year, we will have doubled that 60-year figure. And by 2027, we project to have raised close to $1 trillion in domestic savings. Kenya's savings to GDP ratio currently stands at between 10 and 12%, depending on the calculation you apply. My intention is to raise GDP or savings as a percentage of GDP to 25% in the medium term. That will enable us as a nation to build a pool of resources that we can use to lend to the SMEs and the private sector, and we can grow more businesses and reduce the cost of borrowing so that the double-digit borrowing of 18% or 20%, it is not possible for us to grow our economy, to grow more business, to expand enterprise if the cost of borrowing money is high. We must bring it down to single digit. And the route to bringing it down to single digit is to build greater savings in Kenya. I want to thank the Kenyan workers. I want to thank Dr. Atwoli and Kotu and FKE. When we sat down with them, they saw the point when I made the case to them that it is time for Kenya to measure up to what other countries are doing, and we have to make the necessary decisions so that Kenya can build savings in a manner that it will help us, one, reduce old age poverty. When I came here for celebrations, Atwoli here told me Kenya is number 92 in the worst countries with old age poverty. Because if you save 200 shillings, when you exit at 60, maybe the entire savings you will have made is like 70, 80,000. 70, 80,000 will not last you 2-3 months. And that is why after retirement, many workers die. So we must make sure that after retirement, all workers will have a decent livelihood and they can have a good measure of pension, and also make sure that they can have monthly income coming from their hard-earned savings when they had the energy to work. The blueprint of our inclusive plan in the bottom-up economic transformation agenda is anchored on 5 key pillars: agriculture, micro and small enterprises, universal health care, affordable housing, and the digital and creative economy. I must stand here to thank the Kenyan workers from across the divide. You all remember that in 2022, we had challenges of food insecurity. We had challenges of inflation. We had challenges of exchange rates. I want to say and to report to the country that after 2.5 years, our Kenyan farmers have done a tremendous job. They have produced food. We have supported them. We increased our maize production by 40% in the last 2 years. We increased our production of coffee. We increased our production of tea. We have increased our production of sugarcane. And today, our import bill, importing maize or sugar or the other commodities, has gone down because our farmers are producing more than they have done before. We must commend them because they are working for the people of Kenya. I must also say that because of the interventions that we have made, inflation has come down from 9.6% to 3.5% this year. Exchange rate has come down from 165 to the dollar to now 129 to the dollar. We have expanded our foreign exchange reserves by 2.4 billion shillings. 240 billion shillings. So we have made progress. And that is the reason why the IMF last week listed Kenya as the 6th largest economy. In 2022, Kenya was the 8th largest economy. In 2.5 years, we have managed to overtake Angola, we have managed to overtake Ethiopia. Now Kenya is the 6th largest economy in Africa. In fact, it is the largest economy in East and Central Africa. And it is because of the Kenyan workers, the collective effort of our farmers, of our workers in industry, of our teachers, and everybody else that has contributed to moving Kenya to where we are today. I am very confident about the future of our country if we work together in the manner in which we are working together. In agriculture, our overarching goal remains to make farming profitable, stabilize farmer incomes, and secure national food security. The reduction of fertilizer prices has led to 40% surge in maize production, boosted farmer earnings, reforms in the coffee sector, including the elimination of inefficiencies and corruption, and the streamlining of the Nairobi Stock Exchange have raised farmer prices from 50 shillings to a kilo to between 100 and 150 shillings to a kilo now. Similarly, reforms in the sugar sector have revitalized the industry, leading to record production, better incomes, and bonus payouts for farmers, while creating thousands of new jobs. I recall with very deep personal satisfaction seeing Mama Redempta Makoha of Mumias receive a bonus check of 80,000 in January this year, money she has proudly used to advance her well-being. That is what real impact and transformation looks like. And let me assure the Kenyan workers and the representative of the Kenyan workers, we've just completed the leasing of the 5 sugar factories owned by the government of Kenya. They will now be commercially run by private sector players who have the acumen, the resources, the know-how on how to run business. And I want to assure you that no worker is going to lose their job. In fact, with the increased efficiencies, with better performance of these factories, we are scheduled to hire more workers so that we can drive our sugar industry. Our affordable housing program is another flagship initiative delivering real impact. By end of April, it had created 250,000 jobs spanning architecture, engineering, urban planning, masonry, carpentry, plumbing, electrical work, while reinvigorating local economies. I proudly saw workers from affordable housing in this meeting, and I want to commend them for the transformation they are carrying out in the Republic of Kenya, not just in Nairobi, but everywhere else. This program will, in the next few years, expand home ownership across the country. Ladies and gentlemen, the MSME sector remains the greatest untapped reservoir of employment in Kenya today. Our commitment to unlocking its potential is resolute. The Hustler Fund continues to deepen financial inclusion and support entrepreneurship at scale. To date, over 25 million Kenyans have accessed nearly 70 billion through the fund, with over 4.5 billion saved, mobilized in savings. We have also introduced a 9-band credit rating system to formalize credit histories and unlock new opportunities for those without traditional collateral. Already, more than 4.5 million borrowers with A and B rating have qualified for the Hustler Fund Bridge product, linking them to commercial banks and paving the way to the formal credit market. Over 400,000 have transitioned to this product, with some accessing up to 150,000 without security, without title deeds, without logbooks. They can now have access to 150,000. These borrowers are the future of our enterprise and economy. Ladies and gentlemen, our education, we are closing the teacher shortage gap that existed in 2022 of 116,000. We have recruited over 76,000 teachers in the last 2 years. And we have set aside another 2.4 billion shillings in this year's budget to hire additional teachers, 20,000 of them, with effect from January next year. Further, the government has allocated another 1.6 billion for capacity building for teachers and another 1 billion for the promotion of teachers, so that we can have them assist us produce more human capital and more workers with skills and competencies to manage our economy and to run our country. This investment has improved student-teacher ratios, enhanced literacy and numeracy, and generated stable employment in communities across the country. Labor migration continues to be a cornerstone of our strategy to expand jobs for Kenyans. Last year, over 200,000 Kenyans secured jobs abroad. This year, we are strengthening our efforts through targeted recruitment and bilateral labor agreements. The newly opened Labor Attaché office in Berlin will help operationalize these partnerships and serve as a strategic hub for accessing opportunities in the broader European countries or European Union of 26 countries. The net well-being of workers is incomplete without health security. I am pleased to report that over 21 million Kenyans have registered under the Social Health Authority, up from 8 million under what was NHIF. This is a monumental leap towards universal health coverage. I urge every Kenyan to register, and I am happy that every day I watch the SHA portal, and every day between 45,000 and 50,000 Kenyans register. They are assessed, and we are moving the country towards universal health coverage. We are overcoming the teething problems that existed, and more Kenyans are beginning to realize that we can have universal coverage, reaching out to as many Kenyans as possible. Distinguished workers, ladies and gentlemen, the right to join a union for protection of the values of fair pay, safe working conditions, and the right to unionize is a constitutional guarantee. I have directed the Ministry of Labor and all relevant agencies to ensure that even employees under outsourced contracts can freely join trade unions and benefit from collective bargaining frameworks. Additionally, I am also pleased to announce that Kenya will ratify the 2 critical ILO conventions. ILO Convention number 189 of 2011 on domestic workers to safeguard their dignity and rights, and ILO Convention number 190 of 2019 on eliminating violence and harassment in the world of work. Dr. Mutua and team, you know what you need to do, so that when we come here next year, we will report to the Kenyan workers that we have ratified and we have concluded our work. As Dr. Atwoli has said, when we agreed to enhance pay by 6% last year, there ensued a debate, and some of the employers have not implemented the 6% we agreed on last year. It is not right, it is unacceptable, and I am directing the ministry to work with the head of public service to ensure that every employer makes sure that we implement the 6% increase of salary that we agreed upon last year, and to quickly embark on the exercise to put together the next agreement so that we can take it forward in the next time. To all of you as the Kenyan workers, I agree with Dr. Atwoli that the city of Nairobi is the face of Kenya, and we must live in the city that has dignity. And I have joined hands with the county government of Nairobi to make sure that we complete all the link roads to make sure that the city of Nairobi has motorable walkways and decent roads in different estates, especially in the informal settlements. We have also agreed with the city of Nairobi on how we are going to clean this city. As I talk to you, we have 20,000 young people under the Climate Works arrangement, because I made a commitment that we are going to clean Nairobi River and make sure that we develop additional social housing for the people of Nairobi to give dignity to the city of Nairobi. I went around the city of Nairobi 2 months ago, and we also agreed that the children of Nairobi, who today don't have as much school facilities and infrastructure as other counties, will benefit from additional government support, so that all the children in the city of Nairobi, especially those who live in informal settlements and attend informal schools, are graduated to public schools where they can get proper education paid for by the government of Kenya. I want to thank the members of Nairobi, the members of parliament from Nairobi County, and some of them are here, for the partnership that we have worked on to make sure that both the children of Nairobi go to school and the city of Nairobi benefits from the Climate Works program that will employ more young people. And we are going to be transitioning to another 40,000, to another 20,000 to make it 40,000 shortly as we graduate into the budget next month. So wale wote ambao wanashiriki katika kazi hiyo ya Climate Works, wale wanashiriki, na mimi naona, nafikiri wengine wao wako hapa, wale wanafanya kazi katika affordable housing, mimi nataka niwaeleze ya kwamba hii nchi yetu itajengwa na sisi kama wafanyikazi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Affordable housing itatupatia ajira, pia itatupatia mahali pazuri pa kuishi, kuondoa wananchi wengi wanaoishi katika vitongoji duni. Na mimi nataka niseme ya kwamba vile mumeuliza, mmoja wenu wameuliza ya kwamba mnataka kutumia payslip katika kuaccess mambo ya affordable housing. Hiyo ni maneno mzuri sana. As long as we are discussing how we are going to occupy the houses, whether by deposit, wale wako na deposit, yule ambaye una deposit peleka payslip, tutapangana na wewe tujue vile utapata nyumba uishi mahali pazuri. So tushirikiane namna hiyo, tufanye kazi hiyo kwa pamoja, na mimi nataka niwaeleze ya kwamba Kenya itabadilika. Nilikubaliana na watu wa China. Wakati nilienda China, pengine watu wengi walikuwa wanafikiri tumeenda kukopa madeni zaidi. Hapana. Tulikubaliana ya kwamba tutajenga barabara kutoka Rironi kwenda Nakuru baadaye mpaka Malaba. Lakini sio kwa madeni. Hapana. Tutajenga barabara hiyo kutumia investment. Vile tumejenga expressway kutoka airport mpaka mjini Nairobi, hatujatumia pesa ya serikali. Na hiyo pia tutafanya hivyo. Hata hiyo reli tutatoa Naivasha tupeleke mpaka border yetu na Uganda. Vile vile itakuwa kupitia kwa barabara ya investment, sio kwa madeni. Kwa sababu nimesema ya kwamba lazima tupunguze madeni, kwa sababu inaweza kuharibu nchi yetu. Na tutumie mbinu mbadala, a different approach, a much more innovative approach to carry out development in our country. And it is doable and it is possible. Kwa hivyo tushirikiane katika njia hiyo, na mimi nataka niwauliza Wakenya wote tuungane, tushirikiane, tufanye kazi kwa pamoja. Uchaguzi inakuja 2027. Na Wakenya wataamua mambo ya uchaguzi 2027. Kwa sasa tushirikiane, kila mtu afanye kazi mahali ameajiriwa. Ikifika wakati huo kutakuwa na mtihani. 2027 kutakuwa na mtihani. Wale watapita mtihani wataendelea. Wale wataanguka mtihani wataenda kulima, na dunia itasonga mbele. So Kenya inatakikana tuwe namna hiyo, tukijua ya kwamba tusiharibu muda wetu mkubwa tukigombana, ugomvi pande hii, sijui nani atafanya wapi, sijui nani ndio nini. Hiyo ni mambo ambayo haiwezi kutusaidia kwa sasa. Kwa sasa tuzalishe chakula, tusaidie wakulima wetu, tusaidie kilimo, ituzalishie chakula, ituzalishie mambo ya agro-processing, itupatie bidhaa ambayo tutauza nje ya nchi, tuweze kudhibiti uchumi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Tujenge affordable housing, wa Kenya watoke katika slums. Tuhakikishe kwamba kuna bima ya afya ambayo haibagui nani yako na kazi, nani hana kazi. Tuhakikishe ya kwamba tuko na amani katika taifa letu la Kenya, ili uchumi ikue na sisi wote tujivunie kuwa wa Kenya. Sisi ni nchi ya demokrasia. Umesikia vile Atwoli amesema wako na demokrasia kule Kotu na kuko na demokrasia everywhere. We want to build a strong, democratic, united, prosperous nation that all of us can live in and be proud of. And it's not going to happen. We are going to make it happen. And it's going to be a product, a prosperous Kenya is going to be a product of decisions that we make. We cannot be prosperous if we don't make the right decisions. We cannot develop if we make the wrong decisions. We must make the right decisions for the country to grow. And I want to promise the people of Kenya that I will always make the right decisions to make sure that Kenya makes progress. Because I owe it to the people of Kenya to make the right decisions. Sometimes they may not be popular, but they are the right decisions that will change the destiny of our country. If I did not make the right decisions in 2022, if I did not stop the subsidies of fuel and unga and all the other things, we would not be talking today that Kenya is the 6th largest economy in Africa. We would be talking about something else. So tunataka tushirikiane namna hiyo, tufanye kazi namna hiyo, and I am very confident about the future of our country. Kenyans, we have the best country that we can have. We should be proud to be Kenyans. And we must do whatever it takes to make this country great. We must avoid convenient decisions that only helps us to mark time on the same spot. We must make the decisions that will make Kenya progress and move forward. And I want to assure you that as long as I'm president, I will make the right decisions that will make this country move forward, because I believe in the prosperity of our nation. I want to thank all of you for joining us today in this wonderful celebration of 60 years of KOTU, and to commit to you that we are going to work together as partners in building our nation. I want to say thank you very much. God bless you, and happy Labor Day. Asanteni sana.
Tumpongeze rais kwa makofi tafadhali. Naomba tumpongeze rais, na sasa mahali tulipo, kama umeketi, naomba tuweze kusimama ili tumalize kwa wimbo wa taifa. Kama kuna mahali umeketi, tafadhali tusimame sote, tusimame wima, tumalizie kwa wimbo wa taifa. Mahali tulipo, tukimpatia rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, Rais Daktari William Samoei Ruto, aweze kutoka kwa starehe zake. Let us please maintain our positions as we allow His Excellency to leave at his own pleasure. Thank you.
Shukran kwa Mheshimiwa Rais anapoondoka. Ni kilele cha sherehe zetu Labor Day makala ya 60, nikitambua kuondoka kwa Mheshimiwa Rais Daktari William Ruto. Thank you, Your Excellency. Daktari William Samoei Ruto, rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya na amiri jeshi mkuu. Vile vile mawaziri wetu wataondoka, waziri wetu wa masuala ya huduma ya umma, waziri wa leba, pamoja na makatibu wetu, tukishukuru kazi nzuri iliyopangwa na katibu wetu mkuu Daktari Francis Atwoli, mwenyekiti mkuu wa KOTU, Assistant Secretary General, board members wote wa KOTU na hata wote ambao wamefanikisha shughuli ya leo. Nikishukuru msaidizi wa Inspector Generali Bwana Wambura pamoja na bendi nzima, the Kenya Police Band Presidential Escort Unit, pamoja na bendi yetu ya Administration Police. Shukran kwa umoja huo ambao mmetekeleza majukumu ya leo. Tunapofunganya moja kwa moja kutoka hapa bustani la Uhuru na makavazi ya kitaifa, imekuwa ni furaha yangu kuongoza katika sherehe ya leo makala ya 60, kauli mbiu kujitegemea katika uzalishaji ndio ufunguo wa kukuza na kuboresha uchumi. Tuwashukuru wote ambao wamekuwa nasi siku ya leo, tukisema shukran. Mnapoondoka, Mwenyezi Mungu awajalie safari njema, asije akawakasirikia wala kuwalaani, bali akawabariki katika kila jambo. Langu jina mfawidhi Mike Gitone kutoka ofisi ya Rais. Hadi wakati mwingine, wa sahlan wa marhaba.
Nyakwara Mugejuang mano nyasi mar prauchiel mar Labor Day mane hotel ne kanyo kod jatend piny Kenya William Ruto e alap ma Uhuru Gardens bore Nairobi kae. Kama jotelo mopogore mano moting'o nyaka jatend riwruok mar jotije duto mapacho kae mano Francis Atwoli bende ne ntiere e nyasi makamano, nyasi mar prauchiel mar Labor Day mano bagi odiochieng' makawuono mano e alap mano ma Uhuru Gardens bore Nairobi kae. Kaka wawinjo kanyo Nyakwara Mugejuang, nitiere weche mopogore ma bende owach kanyo e kinde nyasi mar prauchiel mar Labor Day mar odiochieng' makawuono. Ka bende jatend piny Kenya William Ruto osingo ni mano paro mar chik omenda mano mar higani bro bedo mano ma bro temo mar mondo mi okel fuong'ruok ne jotije duto mapacho kae, nikech wang'eyo ni kinde mathoth wang'eyo ni wechego mag usuru jathung'o jopiny. Jotelo mopogore mano moriwo nyaka jatenda KOTU mano Francis Atwoli oloso odiochieng' makawuono e kinde makoro ne otelo ne jotije kata riwruoge mag jotije mopogore mane ochopo mane alap ma Uhuru Gardens odiochieng' makawuono mariwore kod piny Kenya e kinde makoro ne wahingo nyasi mar prauchiel mano mar Labor Day mar odiochieng' makawuono. Jafwambo marwa Lydia Okeyo ne nitiere mano e alap ma Uhuru Gardens bore Nairobi ka. Adwa ni watudre kod Lydia Okeyo achiel kachiel mar mondo mi omed leronwa matut kata moko kuom gigo ma winjo ka jotelo owacho. Mago jotelo moriwo jatend piny Kenya William Ruto, jatend KOTU Francis Atwoli, jatend migawo mar tich e pacho kae Alfred Mutua kachiel kod jotend migepe Musalia Mudavadi. Mage moko kuom jotelo mano yudo thuolo mar loso odiochieng' makawuono. Lydia, iriyo nade nyaka sani ka intiere alap ma Uhuru Gardens bore Nairobi odiochieng' makawuono? Kinyalo mana nyisowa moko kuom maling'ling ma iwinjo kowuok e nyasi mar prauchiel mar Labor Day alap ma Uhuru Gardens kama intiere gi sani. Lydia.
Ariyo maber Joyce, mana kaka isewacho, onge maling'ling oket weche ayanga kae kar bagro mar Uhuru Gardens, gin weche moket ayanga ne oganda jo Kenya kotenre kod chieng' mapacho kae. En chieng' Labor Day mar prauchiel bendo bagi kawuono, nyasi mano otele jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kotene kanyo gi jatend migepe Musalia Mudavadi. Ne nitie jatelo no mabende en jatelo mar KOTU kata jagoro mar KOTU Francis Atwoli kachiel gi jatend migawo mar wechego mag tije pacho kae Alfred Mutua. Duto igolo pachgi Joyce achiel wuok motegno en ni gin kod geno kendo gipuoyo Kenya kuom bedo ni duolno mar IMF nolando ni piny Kenya koro en uchumi namba 6. Uchumi mar piny Kenya en namba 6 e Afrika mangima. Mano nyiso ni en tiere kod dongruok e yorego mag uchumi kachiel kod wechego mabende gisebedo ka giwacho en ni higni 2 mokadho kane gikawo telo kaka Kenya Kwanza ne wantie namba 8, sani wakalo Namibia kachiel gi Ethiopia koro oket Kenya namba auchiel Afrika mangima. Ma en gino abende giwacho ni en dongruok abende koro neno ka gima keto Kenya kama kare. Kata kamano nitiere weche mosebedo kawachore pacho ka motenre kod onge mar tije oganda osebedo kaywak. Kata kamano kawuono Joyce nitiere jogo abende ng'eny gidwa wuok kae. Kata kamano kapok giwuok jopuonj owuok kachal ka gima koro gidhi buonjo. Koro nyaka ne jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kautelo kaka jatend piny Kenya Mara Beach jopuonj maromo 76 nosendiki tich kabende koro sani oket tenge omenda maromo siling bilion 2.4 midhi medgo ndik jopuonj kaito bende nitiere bilion 1.6 midhi timo gino motis ni capacity building kaito bende nitiere gino motisi kanyo ni promotion kata medo ngadho mag tich ne jopuonje pacho kae bende oket ne bilion 1 sisenyo ka jopuonj osebedo kantiere kod yo kata kamano kapok adhi mabor ahinya kapok medo lero weyamie thuolo ajmo kumo jokanyo mag riwruok mar NAT gin tie koda kae awinje pachi kotenre kod mago molandi ko jatend piny Kenya William Ruto machiegni ma en Ramogi TV nyiswa nyingi ya kanye to winjo na kotenre kod lendo molandi abende medo kwa
Erokamano Ramogi FM nyinga Crispin Olum an japuonj Nairobi kendo atelo jopuonj ma Makadara kaka BEC wamor godiechieng' makende makawuono kalure gi Labour Day ka rais bende otimonwa maber osendikonwa jopuonj mang'eny makonyowa wasebedo kwa strain to sani koro osemedwa jopuonj 70,000 gwiye ma already osebiri film watiyogo kendo rais otimo maber kabisa oseahidi wan jopuonj 20,000 makendo dwa medwa by end of this year meaning ni January onego bed wan jopuonj manyien mamedwa workforce mondo me wapuonj nyithindo makare wadwoko erokamano kendo golo bilion 1 madhi keto jopuonj ong'aw mamalo di promote jopuonj mondo jopuonj medo bedie gi pesa moro maberberie manyalo dogoyo ot kendo mor nyithindgi wadwoko rais erokamano kabisa kech oloso kendo gimoro mabende chachando indasiswa outsourcing otieko kendo wacho ni jok mobedo outsource te nyaka chul ushuru pesa nyaka dhi ni labor movement kech wan kaka jo labor movement nyaka wa support gi mondo mi jotijwa mondo dak kare adwoko erokamano nikech jopuonj already we're a better place and we are happy and proud of our president. We are happy about our nation being number 6 in the economies of Africa. We are grateful and we are thankful. Thank you very much.
Erokamano ahinya in bende intrego wache
an japuonj ma Nairobi agone president wa erokamano kuom wach makawuono iluonga ni Esbon apuonjo gi Twamba Nairobi kae wagone president erokamano kuom odiochieng' makawuono even though okotieko expectation meko ano wagano dhi medowa gimoro but wagone Nyasaye erokamano kuom gimoro amora mosetimonwa erokamano
Erokamano ahinya ma ogen jopuonj winjo ni ne ntiere kod geno mar ni jogo mabeno osebed ka ichulo kata man ntiere payroll ne gin gi geno ni ibro med gi gimoro matin kata kamano gino mowachi en medruok mano mar jopuonj dhi med ndik jopuonj kachiel bende dhi med gi ngadho kopogore gi sekta mar puonj Joyce ntiere weche modhuro bende wachi e pauni ahinya to kotenre kod medruok mar uchumi ahinya to yor puro jatend piny Kenya wacho ni opoya ahinya okang' ma jopur osegoyo kaluwore ni kwan mar yuto mag puothe osemedore mago mag bando kachiel kod chai kachiel kod kahawa wacho ni ntiere dongruok kotenre kod okenge mag isebedo kagikawo mago mar chiwo mbolea ne oganda jo Kenya mantiere sekta no mar pur gino mabende wacho ni sani osebero ahinya sekta no mar pur kabende wacho ni ntiere kembe 5 ma ntiere pacho kae mago mag sukari kasani gisebedo list kata sani oseketgi e lwet jogo maketo mwandu jo hala mani kod pesa wacho ni bro neno ni onge ng'ata mantiere sekta go mag kembego mag sukari mibro riembie tich giduto gibro dong to kanyo bende ibro med ndikie oganda mathoth miyo ma en geno ana sekta no mar sukari gi jopur mag niang' ni ntiere geno kotenre kod ohala mabende dhi mbele e sekta mag sukari kachiel gi pur mar niang' bende Joyce opoya ahinya wechego motenre kod tero jotije e pinje maoko mowacho ni en gino bende gisebedo ka gitimo kata bedo ntiere ng'ikruok mosebedo ka oganda moko ywak ka ntiere ng'ikruok ka kacha gisingo ni pod gidhi mbele gitimo kamano nyocha cha nodhi e piny mar China mar timo limbe kama wache ni thoth ji ne ntiere kod paro ni nodhi kaul ohala mang'eny mosebedo kainyo piny Kenya, kowacho ni hola ma kamagi osebedo obadho kendo osebedo msigo na piny Kenya. Kata kamano wacho ni ntiere geno ni omenda idhi tigo ok gin hola, kata kamano gin keto mwandu midhi tim gi pinyno mar China, omiyo dhi konyo e gero barabara kata mana piny ma pacho kae, aka yorno ni oganda obedo kod wuoth makare kendo yore go mag kawo sike kitero kumachielo, timo hala dhi bedo e yo makare. Bende otuomo kotendre kod paro mar chik mar omenda mowacho ni od bura kata jotend migepe nosekadho parono mar chik mar omenda, kaka ne owacho nyore sigana marwa kane wanyiso oganda jo Kenya kotendre kod parono mar chik mar omenda en ni wang' ni piny owacho temo wacho ni gidhi temo kawo omenda to gikete ofuke jo Kenya, ok en golo omenda e ofuke jo Kenya. Nyalo paro Joyce niga mokalo piny Kenya obedo kod mudho mokalo kotendre kod paro mar chik mar omenda mano kelo ng'anyo mano obaye gi rawere mag Gen Z e pacho kae. Joyce miyo no wacho ni wang' ni nitiere pogruok magiketo paro mar chik ni dhi neno ni oganda jo Kenya obedo kod fungruok, nitiere kuonde ma bende ok dhi kawe osuru, nitiere kuonde ma bende idhi med los lai makare mano ni ofuku jo Kenya obedo kod omenda moromo kendo onge kod ywagruok kaka waneno e kinde mokalo e kindego mano olosa paro manyien mar chik mar omenda. Joyce bende nitiere wechego motendre kod jotije ma pacho kae bende koro singnegi lwasi makare mar tich. Kano wuoyo jatend migawo mar wechego mag tije Alfred Mutua nowacho ni nitiere ywak mosebedo jo sekta mar tije, jotije ywak kaluwore gi wechego mag sand mitimo kuonde mag tije, tiyo marach gi jogo manyiri, jogo mayawuoyi be itiyogo marach e yore ma ok owinjore gi jogo motelo negi. Wacho ni gidhi keto chik makare mane ni oganda obedo angilwasi makare mar tich, luor makare obedo e kuondego mag tich, kendo neno ni oganda jo Kenya obedo ni gintiere kod ng'ur makagi kacha e kinde ma bende koro ginie tije opogore opogore. Nitiere wechego motenre bende kod tiyo mag mbui ma bende wuoyo motegno ahinya gi jagoro mar kotu Francis Atwoli. Owacho ni nitiere pinje ma oseketo chenro makare mag neno ni ging'iyo kaka oganda tiyo kod wechego mag mbui. Gemo ranyisi piny mar Dubai, piny mar China kaachiel gi pinje mamoko ma bende oseneno ni wechego mag tiyo kod mbui obedo kod chik makare. Wacho ni piny Kenya kae nitie kaka oganda nitie kod thuolo mar tiyo kod mbui, kata kamano itiyo kode e yo ma ok kare. Omiyo wacho ni nitiere dwaro mondo mi sirikal ong'iyane kaka nyalo ng'iyo keto chike matayo kaka oganda tiyo kod mbui, kowacho ni mae gino gigo bende nyalo nyayo wechego mag tulo e kind oganda. Joyce ka bende gin wechego motendre kod tiyo kod mbui, giwacho ni bende giseloso nitie thuolo mag tije ahinya e mago miloso nyaka yore mag mbui kata digital works. Bende Alfred Mutua kaka jatend migawo mar wechego mag tije osebedo kanyo kane lieko ni nitiere yore mag buro keto mar medo ni gimedo loso thuologo mag tije nyakwaro Mogajwang' mondo mi gine ni oganda obedo makare. Gin weche mathoth Joyce, mana ka in gi penjo kapok awebe.
Kalure ni weche mathoth ahinya owach kanyo kod jatend piny Kenya. Mak mana neno ka nitiere jopiny moko ma nitiere toki kanyo. Kinyalo mana loso kod gi mar mondo mi penj gi ane ni gin to kaluore kod odiochieng' ma kawuono mar odiochieng' ma koro piny Kenya hingo higni 60 mano mar Labor Day kata nyasi mar 60 mar Labor Day. Gin kaka jopiny geno mane ma ne gintiere godo, to kaluore kod kaka jotelo mopogore opogore oloso odiochieng' ma kawuono, bende geno ma kamano chopi. Lydia.
To kama na Joyce kake wacho no, kake wacho kaka watimo hang na mithuolo jo piny nyiswa nyingi ya kanye to ere kimia kwetu kuchiwo wuono.
Okay, kuom nyinga iluonga ni Titus Kigina. Iluonga Titus Kigina. Abiro mondo awinji kaka rais wuoyo, nyawan gi matarajio ni kane beto nonego medwa gimoro. Kech kaluwore gi tax mosebedo kokaw kuomwa. Kwang'eyo house levy, pay as you earn, and SSF Tier 1 and Tier 2. Knockout most of the salaries on our yudo. Sani at the end of the month, iyudo ka tax ming'adowa obedo mang'eny. Koro no expect ni at least onyalo medowa gimoro, at least mondo salary mwayudo chako dhi malo. Most of the companies chon ne wadhi gimoro ni take home. At least kadwe no rumo to a third of your salary no go bed ne de godo dala. To sani inwango ka sheria no kng'iye. Aparo ne en share man go bed ni ng'iyo seche mane ochako kelo weche mag house levy, chal ni noko consider ni kampuni ma wafanya kazi tiye, nitiere gigo miluongo kaka sako ji nitie, mago duto te noko consider. Koro gadier manitiere ni jotich dhi dala gi pesa moko nyalo konyogi. Koro no expect no med gimoro to kanyo winjo korenda renda. Ne wan gi kwan mapa no nyalo medwa 20% mane Secretary General Dr. Francis Atwoli no kwayo. To kata kamano kanyo ok paneno kowache gimoro mochomo. Koro wadok to ok wamor ahinya kech matarajio marwa ok otimo kaka ne wa expect. Yes. Adhi maber. Ne gaga kamato pile.
Ya neno nyiswa ni to twak makawuono here gino mabende yae go mabende nyalo wacho ni mate gima winjo koya kuom jatend piny kata jotelo.
Okay, twak makawuono momora mokwongo nyinga en Msani Mzalendo Esther Auma Opio, Miss Kenya in quotes, aka en mambo serious. An jami ji nyiero, an jawer kendo andiko shairi tachaka wacho kendo. Ya nan Msani Mzalendo.
Kamana hinya kawuono ere kotende ko twak ma jatend piny geno mane in godo kotende gi weche mag leba, weche mag tije gi jotich. Ere gino miyango.
Okay. Gima jatend piny owacho mamora en mana kaka nendo loso ko wacho ni ibro duoko ushuru chier piny, to akwayo ni kako wacho ne kako tim, nikech kata kama bete cha winjo ka jomoko ng'ur ni owacho to ko bitimo tan be sisitiza ni kako wacho ne kaka mondo timore. Aito Atwoli momora moloyo nikech Atwoli otemo tetea jotich, owacho ni karach to rach, to gima rach nyaka wachi, maber bende wacho. Atwoli wacho maber ni jotich ming'ado msachgi, kik ng'ad msachgi kayiem nono to pesa ok gibi yudo udi, yani pesa gi dhi to udi to kan gi yudi, mondo mi ong'ad pesa gi to udi to obi omigi. Gino nendo mora kabisa. Atwoli oloso maber katetea jotich. Mora seriously. Yeah. Gik magi wacho to beyo. Alfred Mutua be kochung' bende wacho mna wach maber ni sana ng'eni nyithiwa manyiri gi kendike offices tiyudo ka bosses mandiko gi aras gi. Idwa no tim kode osiep to kodagi to tije rumo. Loso maber ko wacho maber ni nyiri gi ondike tich to wach harassment mondo time nade orum, nikech mano tadiere mosebedo katieko ka ketho ni nyiwa tich. Yani jogo loso maber agi mora kabisa. To nego bene kaka giloso no kaka mondo timre, kik gilosi isikue tu ni kusema na kuhepa ama kusema na kukwepa. Ikue ni kusema na kutenda. En wacho gitimo, giwach to mondo gitim. Uru kamano. Aya. To daka wach kuma yawa. Ana Nairobi ka adak Umoja 3. Adak Umoja 3 kanyo abiro kaka Msani Mzalendo. Ya, ero kamano.
Ero kamano. Aniluonga ni Steven Otieno Ogonji. Aja Kisumu County to ajapuonj Nairobi kae. Koro kaluwore gi ma kawuono weche obedo maber. Kech kwaluo kata kaka jakotu Francis Atwoli owuoyo mapani kapo ni weche mabecho go inyalo kete tim. To wan kaka jotich wanyalo winjo maber. Seche moko wamondo to bati yudo ka koro pesa mimi chati yudo ka koro thin ma koro idhi adhiya nikech koro chuni kike kaw gir ng'ato. But otin moko nyaro koro ko wacho ni odhi medo nitie medo moro minyalo medwa kaka jotich. To ai michako ogole tax moko be oduoke piny matin, koro yude ka yude pesa moma kidonjo go tinyalo nyiewe chumbi to dong'e moro mar sweet mar nyathi dibede maber. An mane mar osiep. Wageno ni obed promotion mar adier. Ng'eni seche moko inyalo wache e galamoro kama, but koro kang' chopo kama koro gine tiyudo ka koro promotion niyo. Kaka nyocha winjo ka jo parliament wacho ni Nancy Macharia nyocha yudo ko promote jok moko nyocha kondiki. Tiyudo ka ng'ama osebudhe system cha. To en kata mede en usiko mana kacha. Koro wadwaro ni ka ginyalo bedo gadiere iye kanyo. Ma ng'ato kosechopo kare monego be ni iting'e malo. To tere malo kik we ni usika kacha cha ni nyaka ibed ni ng'e ng'ato. Ni ka ting' kinyal chori kamoro. Ero kamano.
Ero kamano Nyalidia.
an giluonga ni Steven Ajwang. Atiyo gi kembe mag arita mag ji giwegi. Gima duong' ma kawuono ayago nyasi mwabedo kawuono kuom weche ma jatend piny owacho en implementation kata chopo kare meto mar osara gata mala uchiel mano wachi. Kech mawuoyo ka ni ana jatend jo union e sekta mar arita mag ji giwegi. To gima chando ahinya en kembe madongo kata tier 1 companies. Inonga gi comply with the statutory requirements, but kembe matindo mok chulo osuru ok comply. Ma osemiyo kembe madongo ji dhi gimiluongo ni redundancy. Nikech inonga clients ok understand the sensitivity in security. Kwa inonga obro dhi for court cutting companies that compromise their security. But ka compliance obete koro obro beti gimiluongo ni fair competition and fair remuneration to the sector. Mar ariyo en gimiluongo ni tax exemption, gimiluongo ni retirement pension to kod gratuity. Kodwoko ne ji chien osuru e sector no, to at least wabunonga gimo manyadong manyadhi godo dala. Omiyo wan gima nwakwayo maduong' kiko beda gima owachi, lakini obed ni en gima idhikete tim kata kete gimiluongo ni compliance gi gima jatend piny owacho mondo mi ji te gero chuny mar Kenya kanyakla. Erokamano ahinya Lydia, amor kawuono kuom neni wang' gi wang'.
Joyce Mokano gin pach jopiny geno margi en ni wechego mabende owache lela kaka jatend piny Kenya William Ruto ibro ketie tim thothgi wacho ni kik obed mbaka. Inyalo paro bende no wacho wach mar keno kata kungo mar omenda wacho ni nyaka ne chak kungo makamae nyaka no kaw telo piny Kenya osekungo bilion 230 kipimo kod higni 60 mano kung mana bilion 320 makoro mae ne geno kowacho ni bro miyo jo Kenya luor makare ka giserutaya to giyudo omenda moro malong'o ma ginyalo bedo kendo gitago ngima ka gidhi mbele. Bende otuo mag kotenre kod wechego mag thieth ka bende okwayo oganda mondo med ndikore e chenro manyien mar okumba mar thieth mar SHA kowacho ni sani ntiere geno kendo wijo kaka Francis Atwoli ma en jagoro mar kotu wacha ahinya ni sani SHA tiyo omiyo gijiwo oganda mondo mi omed ndikore e okumba manyien mar SHA ka bende ma en gino ma igeno ni bro miyo oganda jo Kenya bedo kod ngima makare. Joyce waloso ni wechegi yo makare ahinya na oganda ne Nyikwara Mogajwang' ang' nwakel ni weyo adimba ako gikanyo sa achiel gi sade ke wechewa mag oimore e yo makare ahinya akotendre kod nyasi kawuono kaka obedo. Mana ken gipenjo Joyce aduoke studio.
Erokamano ahinya Lydia Okeyo ka intiere e alap ma Uhuru Gardens bore Nairobi ka poch ka achiel kod paka kuom bedo itwa ka achiel kod wang'wa Uhuru Gardens kanyo e kinde nyasi mar 60 mar Labor Day. Erokamano ahinya kuom chopo kuro mar mondo mi ibed itwa e nyasi makamano. Nyakwara Mogajwang' mane jafwambo marwa Lydia Okeyo mane nitiere Uhuru Gardens odiochieng' makawuono e nyasi mar 60 mano mar Labor Day. Winjo kanyo gik mopogore opogore ma bende jopiny owacho ka achiel kod mago ma jotelo owacho. Maduong' mogik en ni piny nitiere kod geno kata geno ni gigo duto mowachi odiochieng' makawuono ibo bed ka ikete tema maonge leo mar mondo mi jopiny oyudane fuong'ruok e sectors mopogore opogore ma nitiere e pacho ka. Nyakwara Mogajwang' yena mar mondo mi akaw yo madundo gi sani kaduogo taduogo kod weche manyiena mag migago. Kik idhi mabor.
Ubinafsi tumekata, kushirikiana kazini ni kujenga Kenya.